angel investing still more status game or is it real wealth game?
Most people who have angel invested will not make money. That is the truth. I've done close to 150 investments across fund and personally. उसमें से जो best founders थे ना, they were actually doing it before it was a trend.
12, 15, 20x पे ही the other shareholders will like कि इनको यार हटाओ कर. Like what happened with me with Shantanu. The institutional investor came in and like yeah wipe out these guys. ये क्या nonsense कर रहे हैं लोग. मेरे को और stake चाहिए. And I'm like ठीक है यार.
Hello, they happened with me and Mosaic also by the way.
Exactly, मैं वही कहने वाला था. Cap table जब बनाते हो ना, तो classify your investors अगर सोच के बनाया है आपने into these categories. One thing that I recommend to all founders कि यार investor update भेज दिया करो early days में.
Last 6 months to 12 months में ऐसा कोई volume of new entrepreneurs has come down significantly.
What would be, let's say, Ravens of your IRR of angel investment?
Hey everyone, welcome to episode 49 of the Asymmetric Podcast. We are nearing number 52, which will be one full year of doing the Asymmetric Podcast. Super excited for it, but as we go through the motions every week, I thought why not get the OG of angel investing, Mr. Utsav Somani, on the podcast. Utsav actually got AngelList to India. He was head of AngelList India for almost 7-8 years now and runs his own funds, has been one of the most prolific angel investors in the country for the last decade. Some spectacular returns, and we thought, let's understand this space. Let's understand this particular asset class. What are the good, bad, and ugly sides of angel investing? What should founders do? What should operators do in the future? And a lot more in this episode. We've also had the privilege, me and Chirag, both of having Utsav as an angel in our companies. He's a happy angel with Chirag. Okay-ish happiness in terms of the fact that he couldn't stay longer in Mosaic. But we also have the privilege of calling him a friend. So it was amazing that he agreed. And hope you guys enjoy our banter over the next hour or so.
क्या कर रहा हो उत्सव आजकल? You're doing offline and
Offline is majority of my time, and बाकी थोड़ा बहुत investing करता हूँ, which has gone down significantly. So I run these two funds, iSeed and Galaxy. Galaxy is a $45 million fund where me and Naval are partners. We basically give out $1 million to $2 million to founders to invest. So Awares of Pixel, Prakalpa of Atlin, Apps of Bharat Prashant, all these founders are investing for us. And then anything that breaks out from their portfolio, we double dip by 500K to $1 million का check डाल के. So that is like a
Sorry.
our version of Scout funds. क्योंकि
so
Scout
that I don't understand this at all. So you invest $45 billion,
45 million.
45 million. Okay. And what is this thing? What's the model?
So AngelList infra use करके we power up these small nano funds. AngelList सारा कुछ software से use करता है. So that I think allows us to do this at scale. Like a Scout fund में होता क्या है कि Scout fund का एक main pool होता है. कोई उसको मेमो लिखता है कि मैं इससे करने वाला हूँ. तो वो cap table पे Scout fund जाता है. एंड फिर पूरा जब वो फंड रिटर्न होगा पूल का ऑफ स्काउट फंड, तब इन्वेस्टर को कैरी मिलता है जो फाउंडर है बेसिकली.
कौन who is putting the money in mainly?
It's mostly individuals. So Naval Ravikant, Lockie Groom, Tim Ferriss, Elliot Gill. So all these are my LPs in that fund.
Understood. What is, for example, Apps for Bharat? They will do the investing for you, or they will.
Yeah. So founders do that, and they get to decide the name of the entity that goes on the cap table. So many founders choose, like say, Sumit Gupta Investments. Like Sumit Gupta of CoinDCX is investing for us. Ultra Human founders are investing for us. All of this hush hush. We've never announced these names publicly. And
Investing in what? For example, how do I raise money from them?
I mean, you speak to them. For them, it's a regular angel check. But just that, I mean, they're writing bigger checks through this program.
Okay. Very cool, yaar.
So
Very
ये
cool.
$1 million का fund है, and my last iSeed fund is a $21 million fund where I do my personal investing from. So yeah.
आपने गोकुल में तो iSeed से डाला हुआ, right?
Okay, मैं iSeed से डाला हुआ है. First वाला
Wow.
मार्कअप हुआ हुआ है.
Sorry?
First check तो काफी तगड़ा मार्कअप हुआ हुआ है. I think 30 plus.
पता नहीं सर, मैं तो नहीं गिनता.
मतलब अपनी पहले एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग जर्नी रिकैप करो. आई थिंक रेवन से स्टार्ट करते हैं.
भाई
पहला एंजल चेक क्या था?
ये रहा पहला एंजल चेक शांतनु देशपांडे.
अरे not with I mean your personal time, but like money also.
Yeah. In fact,
How do we know each other?
basically I did 2 calls and then third call I was like कि भाई अगर हर हफ्ते हम कॉल करने वाले तो पैसा भी ले करके. तो उसने बोला हाँ डाल दो. तो बहुत एंजल्स है मेरे पास. सारे एंजल्स सारे के सारे अल्ट्रा HNI है, मैकिन्जी है और अल्ट्रा HNI है. आप गरीब हो लेकिन मैं पैसा तो ले लूंगा आपसे अगर आपसे टाइम चाहिए तो
पूरी सही कर दी थी.
हाँ, like he was kind to me कि चलो यार आपकी औकात नहीं है फिर भी मैं I'll take money because I need time, so I'll take I'll oblige.
What did you like in him? Like as a founder, अगर अब तो आपने investing इतनी time से कर ली है, उस समय का lens और आज का lens
There,
क्या?
he was sold very well. He was sold to me also very well. That why you should give time, because he's one of the most outstandingly good salesmen. And like मतलब बहुत ही बढ़िया आदमी है, कुछ भी कर लेगा types करके.
हाँ.
So I used to get that कि I can sell a Eskimo to an igloo, and I was told that he's better than you. So I'm like, चलो भाई ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है कि इतना बढ़िया सेल्समैन है तो सुन लेते हैं. एंड देन फर्स्ट कॉल इटसेल्फ, लाइक ही हैज दिस वेरी एफेबल पर्सनालिटी, राइट, कि मतलब अरे भाई है करके तू, तो लाइक यू फील लाइक स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद हिम. Like he's one guy I don't think anybody will not like spending time with. So that is the first thing. You have to have chemistry. Without chemistry, तो क्या ही point है? Then the problem statements were interesting. They were marketing and sales related, like performance marketing and brand related, which was anyway something I was spending time on. I was enjoying learning. तो I said, चलो यार इस पे और time डालते हैं, हम भी सीखेंगे. So I like the guy. I like the problem statement that I would learn. So then I said, कि यार might as well invest and, you know, keep learning, right? Keep finding out more about the team and the business, but learn more कि ये business बनेगा कैसे करके. Because we were तभी in food delivery. This was 2016 Jan, Shantanu?
No, more. 2016 mid.
So it's almost been what, 9 years plus. And then he did something that only Shantanu can do. Basically, I had entered at some round that he priced for some reason only for me. And then he's like, yaar, aap itna help kar rahe ho, so I will reprice your round to what the previous angels came in at. So I came in 6, 9, 12 months after the first angel round. And he gave me a price which was, I think, 30-40% higher कि मेरा business अब launch हो गया, तो this is the price.
क्या valuation थी तब? If you're comfortable sharing publicly.
Yeah, I have no problem. मैंने एंजल से रेस किया था 15 करोड़ प्री पे, फिर रेवन से मैंने किया 21 करोड़ प्री पे या 22 करोड़ प्री पे, ठीक है. लेकिन इतना, एंड उन्होंने मेरे को बहुत ही ये रास्पी वेरी क्यूटली कि यार एसडी 5-6 महीने तो है, तो मेरे को ध्यानेश वाल में जो रेवन के को-फाउंडर है, ही वाज देयर इन द फर्स्ट राउंड बिकॉज़ ही यूज्ड टू बी माय कॉलीग एंड माय बॉस एट मैकिन्सी. उसी राउंड के वैल्यूएशन में डालो, मैंने नहीं ये वो वाला. मेरे को तब सिखाया गया था कि सब चीज़ नेगोशिएट करनी होती है. बट आफ्टर ही स्पेंड टाइम आई वाज लाइक, सो देन interestingly I decided that he's adding far more value, so I must honor his request, even though like he didn't even make the request twice, he just made it once. I said no, then he like chal chhod whatever. And then a month later I told the CA कि यार इसको how do we reprice this investment. तो उन्होंने बोला यार ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, तो एक काम करते हैं, इनका जो क्लास ऑफ शेयर है ना, इसको थोड़ा चेंज करके वो क्या कन्वर्जन रेशियो 10:1 की जगह 7:1 कर लेते हैं, समथिंग लाइक दैट. So Revant is the only guy who had that particular class of share. Had that one particular class of share, and then like after that we raised from Fireside and all that. So
by the way, second angel investment Utsav Somani is Chirag Taneja.
Boss, क्या track record है?
नहीं मतलब are you talking about GoQuick or the first?
Ketchup पहला वाला, उसके पहले था. Oh my God,
ठीक
sorry,
है,
तो ही
उसकी
no.
वजह से फिर GoQuick हुआ है, उसकी वजह से फिर GoQuick हुआ है, तो ठीक है, it all counts. Like, and if you enjoy working with a founder, like I've seen, you will want to continue backing them also. That I think is
so sorry. Yeah, completely. Very sorry, Chirag. Okay, so first angel investment was Ketchup, which was.
Oh, is it?
Chirag कब था? Date बता, 2015, 14.
15 होगा शायद. हाँ.
Okay, उसके पहले भी एक था. उसके पहले भी एक था. Again, Hitesh will kill me for this. So Hitesh had a previous business. So Utsav's not there in that. You guys are both investors. Hitesh had a business that he tried to do in fashion SaaS. Like what Zenoti is for salons, he tried to do for boutiques. He said fashion boutiques should have a POS system. And I had backed that. I think uske साथ I had done you, Chirag, or maybe you were first with Ketchup and then him and then Shantanu. So,
but I think he also left. Did he do that immediately after B school?
No, he did Homeveda first. So Homeveda I couldn't back because I didn't have money. See, he did Homeveda in 2010. 2010 में तो मेरे पास बैंक अकाउंट में कोई 1 रुपया नहीं था यार, तो मतलब क्या ही मैं एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग करता. But when he shut that down, he tried this business and तब तक कुछ थोड़े पैसे आ गए थे, तो I am like, actually I felt bad. He said कि यार मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए, I am not in a good zone mentally. So now I do that. Any entrepreneur who shuts down, I'm like, don't immediately try and do a rebound. Take a couple of years off, do something else. Because he taught me that कि he's like, मेरे को नहीं करना है, पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे. I really pushed and said, नहीं तू कर, तू rockstar है, तू entrepreneur है, तू कर. He shut that down in 1 year. And then he did a job for a few years before he started Killer now. I don't remember exact date, but I think Chirag, you were the first or he was the first? And Shantanu was the third then, for sure.
But also you have to think about this. I think Revant is a fantastic example of it. So look at all the dots that connect, right? So he spoke about a reflections retreat that we have started, right? It is the three of us and Hitesh who joined, and Ankush Grover,
Hmm.
who is the Rebel CEO. Okay. Now I wanted to recruit. I wanted to bring in some CXOs in Bombay Shaving Company because basic manage nahi ho raha tha. This is around 5, 6, 6, 7 years back, to 2018, 2019 types. And I was well out of my competence depth. So Revant also recognized it as the astute angel that he is. He said, "Ha, you are right. I know the exact person for you. Talk to Ankush." I spoke to Ankush. Ankush बोलता है यार मेरे बहुत स्टॉक्स वेस्ट होने ये वो, लेकिन माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड इज देयर, वो सही बंदा है, वो कोलगेट में काम कर रहा है, अभी इन्वेस्टमेंट भी हुई है आपकी,
हाँ।
तो वो दीपक है। एंड देन रेवंत सेड हाँ दीपक इज, अंकुश से सुना है काफी उसके बारे में, चिराग से क्यों नहीं बात करता? एंड चिराग वाज लाइक ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट बिटवीन, लाइक आफ्टर कैच अप वाज सोल्ड टू हिज नेक्स्ट स्टार्टअप, ही वाज लाइक यार आई हैव सम टाइम, मेबी pick up some nice cool growth mandate. So I said cool. So Chirag and Deepak joined Bombay Shaving Company. Deepak of course continues as our CEO. Chirag has a bunch of stock options. Revant of course is an angel. After Chirag left Bombay Shaving Company, he started GoQuick, and Revant and me invested. I don't know whether Ankush and all invested. All of us then also invested in Killer. So because of Revant, because of he's like clearly the anchor of this whole
Center.
situation. He's the center. So we now are incestuously in each other's companies and get to learn and then now do podcasts together. So it's such, the
एक ना
financial outcome is one thing, but it's such a strong network effect.
वो जो पेपैल माफिया का एक मैप बनता है ना, एक रेवंत का भी मैप बना के डालना ये ताकि कनेक्शंस इधर उधर, आई थिंक दैट बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू नो।
आरवी माफिया।
मैंने रेवंत के पास 2-3 फाउंडर्स भेजे, घुस जाता है मतलब पूरा
It's crazy.
fascinating man, like the founder
crazy.
yes for Revant की angel investing is
Yeah.
unparalleled, like मतलब insane.
Insane है, actually
तो
insane
खुद ही
है.
बोलते हैं इसको कि
Insane.
भाई कहाँ से निकालता है तू टाइम? हमारे को
सब
भी
लोग
फोन
भाई-
करता है, हमें भी बता
yes.
रहा होता है गोकुक में ये कर ले, तू वो कर ले, फिर वो बता रहा होता है फिर क्या चल रहा है कंपनी
यार,
में।
मेरे पास चिराग रेवंत वो गोकुई की पुरानी चैट भी मैं पढ़ रहा था जब आपने फाउंडर ग्रुप बनाया था। डूड उसमें याद है हम लोग डोमेन नेम ढूंढ रहे थे आपका बैठ के GoDaddy पे, तब
डोंट
चिराग
रिमेंबर,
या कुछ नाम दिया
आप
था
याद भी नहीं करोगे, फर्स्ट डेक व्हिच आई शेयर्ड विद यू, द कंपनी नेम वाज सेफकार्ट।
सेफ कार्ट, और मैंने कहा बॉस ये नाम से तो नहीं मिल रहे पैसे कहीं पे आपको।
ही वाज द फर्स्ट वन, ही सेड इस नाम से नहीं मिल रहा, नाम ढूंढो दूसरा।
और वो डेक भी ब्लू एंड व्हाइट मेरे को प्रॉपर याद है। मैं पार्क में वॉक करते हुए कोविड टाइम पे मैंने ली,
Correct,
मैंने कहा आइडिया तो क्रेजी है, ये बोल्ट के फाउंडर से भी आपको कनेक्ट करा था जेक के थ्रू, आई थिंक दिस थिंग, बट मैंने कहा ये नाम से तो नहीं चल रहा, नेमिंग में थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है। फिर गोकुइक आपने डोमेन ढूंढा बैठ के, और वो स्क्रीनशॉट्स भी है मेरे पास कि गोकुइक मिल रहा है, गाइस शुड आई बाय दिस। फैसिनेटिंग स्टोरी। और उसमें यही था कि रेवंत वाज सो डीपली इन्वॉल्वड इन द अर्ली डेज, मतलब वो एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग का टाइम शांतनु वो भी बहुत अलग होता था। कोविड के बाद ना इट्स बिकम ट्रांजैक्शनल, लाइक आधे फाउंडर्स
Yeah.
को मिलते ही नहीं है, कोई इन्वेस्टर अपडेट्स नहीं भेजते, और वो आधे आधे घंटे की कॉल्स में भी वो आपसे येस और नो मांगते हैं। बट ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम, लाइक आई मीन चिराग ऑफ गोकुइक और से सुमित ऑफ कॉइन DCX, लाइक आई वाज डीपली इन्वॉल्वड एटलीस्ट इन द अर्ली डेज ऑफ दोस कंपनीज, मजा भी आता था उसमें।
Yeah. अभी क्या हुआ है ना, so maybe you should also give your reflection. At least मेरा जो limited view है, I tried to be with founders the way Revant was with me, frankly.
हाँ।
पर वो बार बहुत high है, कभी-कभी like you are able to hit that bar once in a while with one off founder. You can't hit it all the time with all founders that you can. But I also feel like, you know, a lot of the times the patience in founders has significantly tanked. जो instant gratification जो world है अपना, उसमें it is, I think, very antithetical to the muscle that founders need, which is it takes a while for something meaningful to happen, right? And I see like I started doing angel investing. I got some liquidity now in 21, 22. से पहले मेरे पास नहीं था, so I was not able to do any angel investing. But I've started seeing that it takes like one year, forget about couple of or 2, 3, 4, or a couple of bad quarters for founders to start getting into the zone of this is not worth it.
Yeah. Actually,
And
very, very true. And this has happened after COVID because एक तो कंटेंट ओवरलोड भी हो गया है। फॉरगेट पर्सनल लाइफस्टाइल इन्फ्लेशन जो दुनिया में चली रही है बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया, बट कंटेंट ओवरलोड इतना हो गया है कि अब यार आप एआई की न्यूज़ देख लो बॉस, यहाँ पे हर दिन अगर 100 मिलियन एआरआर नहीं है तो आप तो कुछ ही नहीं हो आजकल उसमें, मतलब 5-10 मिलियन 2 मिलियन एआरआर वाले भी क्या लोग हैं, राइट? एंड हाउ मच ऑफ दैट इज स्टिकी, नॉट स्टिकी, पीछे क्या चल रहा है, कितना एक्सपेरिमेंटल एआरआर है, कितना एक्चुअल एआरआर है, तो वो सब तो फाउंडर्स के दिमाग पे चलेगा ही। तो वो फिर लगता है कि दिस थिंग, एंड ट्रेंड बेस्ड फाउंडर्स भी बहुत आ गए हैं कि आज ये हॉट है तो आज इसमें कंपनी बना दो। बीच में जब वो थ्रासियो फॉर वो चला था तो सभी थ्रासियो वाले 4 क्लोन्स बन गए थे। फिर बीच में वेब3 था तो सभी वेब3 वाले बन गए। अब थोड़े टाइम में सभी एआई वाले बन रहे हैं। तो वो ट्रेंड बेस्ड फाउंडर्स भी बहुत हैं। द एक्चुअल बेस्ट फाउंडर्स दैट आई हैव सीन, अगर मतलब मैं देखूं, आई हैव डन क्लोज टू 150 इन्वेस्टमेंट्स अक्रॉस फंड एंड पर्सनली। उसमें से जो बेस्ट फाउंडर्स थे ना, दे वर एक्चुअली डूइंग इट बिफोर इट वाज अ ट्रेंड। एंड यू सी लाइक आई मीन चिराग गोखले कोई और सोच भी नहीं रहा था उस प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने का। और सुमित ऑफ कॉइन डीसीएक्स कि यार वो क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंज जब बना रहा था, जब कोई सोचता भी नहीं था कि क्रिप्टो कैन बी अ मार्केट इन 2015 2016। तो दे वर अर्ली और 10x बेटर। लाइक दोज आर द टू कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दैट आई हैव सीन की टू बी अ गुड फाउंडर और
Yeah.
But
or
yeah,
a good outcome in the angel investing world.
is you're bang on. I think to differentiate today between, let's say, somebody who's truly passionate about solving something versus, let's say, somebody who's spotting a today's business opportunity. Hard
Yeah.
भी होता जा रहा है यार वो. I think people have learned this, give the right answers. It's becoming harder, especially doing a phone conversation. As you are saying, 30 minutes में बता दो.
एंड यार रिस्क कैपिटल बहुत हो गया ना इकोसिस्टम में। आजकल एंजल्स 100 के लिख लेते हैं। तो आप माइक्रो फंड्स वगैरह छोड़ो, आप अगर कोई भी नया आइडिया एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए आजकल 1-2 मिलियन तो आपको मिल सकते हैं अच्छे से, इफ यू आर इन द सर्कल लाइक आईआईटी आए हैं, ये सब आपके क्रेडेंशियल्स हों, कोई हॉट स्टार्टअप में ज्वाइन करा हुआ है, तो आपको 500K टू मिलियन 2 मिलियन का प्री सीड सीड राउंड तो आपका बहुत खटाक से हो जाता है नेटवर्क
वो
से।
चेंज हो
So
गया
risk
उत्सव
capital
थोड़ा
भी
सा एक्चुअली
अब तो change।
अभी लास्ट 1 year में इफ यू सी व्हाट्स हैपेंड सिंस रियल इम्पैक्ट ऑफ ZERP not being there, like US interest rates are now whatever continue to be at 4% plus, right? Endowments have lost their cash, US aid and stuff like that. So if you see the overall VC ecosystem that went from maybe $10 billion a year to like 30 billion has now come down to like 7-8 and looks like it will come down to 5-6 again.
Yeah.
So, and the second order effect of this is वो जो 5-6 billion भी है वो भी अभी let's say a large chunk of that is trying to chase AI in the US. Like if you look at the top 6 VCs, all of them now have a US office. All of them
Yeah.
are saying कि यार I can't deploy $500-600 million in venture in India. India is let's say a $200-300 million venture market. So then we will have to do maybe something in the US. Now, what at least I am seeing is us going a little back to right sizing of India-focused funds, which will also have a second order effect on, I think, entrepreneurship overall. Like I am not seeing last 6 months to 12 months में ऐसा कोई volume of new entrepreneurs has come down significantly. Go back to 21, everybody wanted to be an entrepreneur. But वो थोड़ा कम होते जा रहा है वापस वो. और I think it's a function of capital, which is okay. The correction was designed, but I am also thinking that are we at the stage where we need to rely more on angels over time? Because the other thing that's playing out is जो public market में हो रहा है ना, DII versus FII, that hasn't
वो
happened
भी
in private. We don't have that much family offices saying कि यार हमें और exposure लेना है, because the venture returns over the first 20 years have not been that great, at least in compared to the public markets.
Yeah.
So pure IRR basis, the risk reward doesn't make sense, though their absolute allocations have increased over time. I don't like, at least the I don't know if you guys know, all the mutual funds also have an AIF. So ये जो SIP का जो पैसा आ रहा है, all of them have a step down AIF as well that they may choose to invest in.
Yeah.
But they will never do these what venture used to look at valuations and say कि यार आप बनाओ billion, 2 billion, 5 billion का outcome. Like it's a very traditional approach to even early stage investing, if I can call it. So I think the future looks a little uncertain in that case.
उल्टा contrapoint नहीं है that all of these large companies, urban company now grow, etc., going for IPO, and all of their like top employees will make money, founders will make money. Wouldn't they then again not invest in startups? Like there are these threads going on na ki cred ke, like now there are startups, grow ke, which is higher, etc. So don't you think at least some of that capital जो लोग secondary करेंगे,
Correct,
will come back to the ecosystem and hence should further fuel this angel investment activity?
and that's what I'm saying. It has to, but I don't see that happening because
Yet.
यार उनके लिए भी वही है ना कि let's say I hold 25-30 crores in cred. I have through buybacks got 5 crores. Because I am still illiquid with the rest of my money in cred, I am giving it to a PMS and saying कि भाई मेरे को liquid में 20-25% दे दो करके types. So even for these individuals, because they have earned, like they would rather say, let me go again and work in a GoQuick and again do this कि 5 crore का ESOP लेके इसका 25 crore बनाता हूँ करके मैं. This is a game for me for long-term wealth, but I will keep de-risking and putting more in public. At least that's the behavior I'm seeing as of now.
bubble strategy, right? I mean, startup में इतना risk लेते हैं वो, तो whatever else they save for or get liquid for their families, वो रखना चाहेंगे in something that's more easily accessible. But startups में आएगा. I think वो Raven का जो network effect वाला map है ना, वो काफी companies में ऐसे repeat होने लगेगा, right? Raven का next generation भी आएगा, which is doing, I mean, the Ravens 2.0 will do something similar from these networks. Grow का network किसी का बना हुआ है, तो वो अच्छे से उनमें invest करेगा. But एकदम zooming out, the number of investable opportunities is also going down significantly. एंड अगर मैक्रो इकोनॉमी इतनी टेंशन में आ जाएगी इन द नेक्स्ट फ्यू इयर्स, तो आई थिंक मेरे को लगता है कि पीपल विल बिकम अ स्लाइटली मोर रिस्क अवर्स एज वेल. नंबर ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज अब वही देखो ना, मेजर कंज्यूमर लार्ज बिजनेस जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, जेप्टो के अलावा पिछले 4-5 साल में कोई नहीं बना है इंडिया में, बिकॉज क्विक
Yeah.
कॉमर्स वाज द ओनली लार्ज मेजर अपॉर्चुनिटी. अब आई मीन लॉट ऑफ पीपल से कि एआई की वेव इंडिया से पूरी निकल गई है, हम कंज्यूमर यूजर्स ही बने हुए हैं, सब बाहर के प्लेयर्स ही, ओपन एआई, एंथ्रोपिक, इंडिया वही बन रहे हैं. तो इंडिया में वो एलएलएम मॉडल वाला फेज हमने स्किप कर दिया. अब कंज्यूमर एप्स भी कितने डिफेंसिबल हैं एआई वाले, वो भी नहीं है. और जो टॉप फाउंडर्स हैं उनको अब ज्ञान दिया जा रहा है कि अब एआई कंपनीज बना रहे हो तो यूएस में जाके बनाओ, बिकॉज इंडिया में इतने एंटरप्राइज पेइंग वाले है ही नहीं फॉर, या कंज्यूमर्स इतने पेइंग नहीं है. तो and I think the last decent wave which I saw was UPI AutoPay, these micro transactions,
Hmm.
which some people have called out to be like sort of like a black pattern as well. कि सब्सक्रिप्शन लिए जा रहे हैं, लोगों को पता ही नहीं है छोटे टियर विलेजेस में कि उनके कहाँ कहाँ सब्सक्रिप्शन
Correct.
चल रहे हैं, एंड वो 3-5 रुपए 10 रुपए लेते जाते हैं उनके. दैट आई थिंक वाज द लास्ट मेजर कंज्यूमर वेव आई थिंक विच आई नोटिस. तो इन्वेस्टेबल अपॉर्चुनिटीज प्लस अपॉर्चुनिटीज डू स्टार्टअप ऑल्सो भी कम होते जा रही है.
You're right. I'm for sure at least in a year or so उस पे भी regulation आ जाएगा वो तो, in terms of
आना
how you
पड़ेगा,
should
like,
do
I
it,
think,
because I'm hearing a lot of this that
Hmm.
वो दिखता ही नहीं है अच्छे से ऑटो पे. You are taking a subscription and people smartly like give 90% off on first one and then keep charging subscriptions.
So angel investing net मतलब I think what
Investing,
will
you know,
is कि immediate friends, family जो आपका network है, companies that you work with, I think it will come to those smaller circles. And जो star angels हैं, वो they are invited to join these rounds which are overpriced. जो angel investing शुरू में होती थी जब आपने शांतनु कंपनी में करा था और 15-20 करोड़, तब रिटर्न्स भी अच्छे आते थे ना, रिस्क रिवॉर्ड आपके फेवर में था. बट अब आप 20 मिलियन या 15 मिलियन उस पे एंट्री प्राइस पे जा रहे हो with a VC and a small allocation, just as a PR announcement वाला exercise. Angels के लिए वो इतना मजेदार है नहीं, this thing.
You're saying the risk reward doesn't make sense.
I would say so.
what is the new category then? आप क्या देख रहे हो next?
मैं तो honestly सीख रहा हूँ अभी आजकल मतलब this thing, but honestly बहुत slow down है personally. Like I think I've done very little. I've done one company, Alt Carbon. Boss, वो बंदा Aves of Pixel had introduced me to him. I had absolutely zero idea what he's doing. Like मतलब first call में आके like his family business was a Darjeeling tea estate, like काफी बड़ा. उसमें अब कोई उसने स्पेशल प्रोसेसिंग ढूंढा रॉक का, कि रॉक से वो कार्बन क्रेडिट्स निकाल के बेचता है पान. 60 मिलियन की ऑर्डर बुक है उसकी ऑफ कार्बन क्रेडिट्स, अवॉइडेंस क्रेडिट्स. एंड he's managed to raise round after round and to top investors. Like I don't know if the round is announced also or not, but the markup is pretty insane. मतलब I'm like, dude, 2-year-old company and the secondary options existed at all places. And that is why I've taken a last 1.5 years more focus towards deep tech, yeah, one of one companies. Not like ki, it's very hard to do, say, D2C investing, or very hard to do like this thing unless you know the founder very well. Ki one of one companies type, I think, will be a much better way to look at this thing.
You're going back
Because
to the Peter Thiel principle. जैसे you would say
competition.
0 to 1 is जहाँ competition नहीं वहाँ जाओ. आप बोल रहे हो वही है कि risk है, but at least I'll get in at the right price, and it's not that everybody has a view on what a space tech company should do or what a climate tech company should do. Everybody's forming their thesis. If you like the founder, take a bet, and then if it's the right bet, you get the risk reward equation right. That's a very fair way to. Actually, by
And
the way, early stage VC was also always supposed to be that. That can you get to a trend before it becomes a trend. Trend बन गया उसके बाद क्या ही early stage VC है फिर तो. वो तो फिर perfect competition हो गया ना.
But
so
एक बार बताओ candidly, if you can answer, what would be, let's say, Revant, your IRR and Utsav, your IRR of angel investments? Let's say when you were
realize
doing it right also, does it make like 25-30%, or is it in the ranges lower, higher?
तो ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड आई थिंक एक कोई स्टडी हुई थी 22% रिटर्न है. एक तो प्रॉब्लम है कि पब्लिक मार्केट गोल्ड ने 40% दे दिया है पिछले साल में, तो और पब्लिक मार्केट्स लास्ट डेकेड से इतना दे रही हैं, तो इंडियन आईआरआर्स तो वेंचर के बहुत कम बीट करते हैं उसमें. यू नीड टू बी इन द टॉप क्वार्टाइल, दिस थिंग, एंड ब्लूम ने भी स्टडी निकाली थी. बट माई पर्सनल आईआरआर इज ओवर 60%, एंड दैट ऑल्सो इज स्क्यूड बिकॉज ऑफ वेरी फ्यू कंपनीज. उसमें Coin DCX था, which is a 1000x multiple. And that, I mean, how I found that company was also fascinating. Like I was on a AngelList offsite, and Naval से मेरे को अपना पहला Bitcoin मिला. And मतलब one thing led to another, and जैसे ही मैं दिसंबर की ऑफसाइट से वापस आया 2016 में, 2017 में उसका 15-20% प्राइस बढ़ गया. एंड आई वाज लाइक डूड ये क्या चीज़ है जो एक महीने में 20% रिटर्न दे रही है, राइट? एंड Coinbase वॉलेट तब खोला था मैंने यूएस में बैठ के, लाइक लिटरली अ वीकेंड दिस थिंग. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि ये स्टडी तो करना है. देन आई स्टार्टेड ब्लॉगिंग अबाउट इट. ये यूनोकॉइन वगैरह थे इंडिया में, 30% मार्कअप ले रहे थे, ब्रोकर डीलर्स थे, एक्सचेंज नहीं था. And I started blogging about it for the next 1 year. Like the blog posts are still live on my Medium blog post. And dude, on a Sunday, Sumit messaged me कि I'm solving for liquidity and price discovery using these multi-exchange order books on my platform. Would you like to chat? We spoke on Sunday. And उसके अगले हफ्ते I gave a term sheet. Everyone signed on. Tuesday को RBI का ban आ गया, shadow banking this thing. And Sumit के साथ I said कि let's adjust the price. I asked 5-6 of other angels, everyone backed out. 5-6 कहीं और से angels लाए international उनके लिए. And we invested at, I think, 8 crore की valuation. And the risk return has never been that high. But I was following my intellectual curiosity, and I think I've only done that once ever in my life. कि मैं इतना passionate था कि वो but उसके बाद it's become so easy to start a company also. A founder who's motivated and has access to network, I think can raise capital, can hire good people and start a company very easily. So intellectual curiosity, that story is a case study for me personally. कि मतलब that turned out to be a 1000x multiple with an RBI ban, that you went ahead, and that was a true contrarian view. तो उसकी वजह से, like I would say, over 60% IRR है in like the realized portfolio. And I've started cycling back that capital now. And Titan Capital also, I'm guessing their IRRs are, I mean, Bipin, I think, has posted about them publicly also, must be very, very high, close to high double digits mein hoga. And all of that will go back into startups only now. So if you've done this well and you do this as a serious activity, not just as a hobby that your friends are starting up companies or colleagues are starting up company, I would say कि at least 30-40% आपको इसमें होना चाहिए IRR, if not more.
Wow. And
और उसमें वही होता है
interestingly,
ना, there are usually those few that skew. So I think those spread also matters.
yeah,
That
yeah,
spread,
You can't be
30,
selective.
40,
You have to have
करनी
a high
पड़ेगी
spread.
तभी होगा वो.
and पता है काफी कुछ होता क्या है कि what startup investing had become or had become in India or even globally as well कि private market आप liquidity event तक नहीं वेट करते कि IPO या MNO तक वेट नहीं करते. प्राइवेट मार्केट ट्रेडिंग हो रही थी. लाइक जैसे अब वो जो एक कंपनी है जो मैंने आपको क्लाइमेट टेक वाली बताई, उसमें मेरे को अगर 20x मल्टीपल मिल रहा है 2 साल में, तो मैं निकाल के कहीं और कर दूंगा. इवेंचुअल आउटकम ऑफ द कंपनी डजंट इवन मैटर टू एन एंजल इन्वेस्टर. एंड वीसीज इतने बड़े हो गए हैं कि वो प्राइस बैलेंस आउट करने के लिए एंट्री प्राइस इन अ कंपनी, वो सेकेंडरी दिस थिंग प्राइमरी वगैरह का कॉम्बो बनाते हैं. तो एंजल्स गेट क्लीनड आउट स्मॉल वाले. समटाइम्स इट्स ग्रेट, समटाइम्स इट्स बैड. एंड मेनी टाइम्स आई हैव सीन कि eventual outcome of a company, I don't know, some companies might not see the public markets or an MN market for a long time. But private market trading आप सही से कर लो तो you can make a good return as well as an angel.
That's a good point. I think the ability to also create an exit at the right time as an angel is the variance is high. Some people, like for example, if you're doing it institutionally, you're doing it with a certain amount of clarity, you know the founders well, etc. It's good. But like people who do it one off or who don't have that kind of spread will never know कि मैं पूछ भी सकता हूँ क्या कि exit करे. Like should I? It's been 5 years. Let's say, can I ask for an exit? Or will it feel like something bad for the founder or whatever?
And it's a serious business, right? I think what I realized शुरू में कि I was an outsider. Like I hadn't started a top company. Like I was coming from my family business. मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता था. Company start करना चाहता था, but लोग भी नहीं पता था कि tech कैसे बनता है और ये सब वगैरह, right? So TechCrunch से पढ़ के सीखा सारा कुछ. But boss, networking and value कैसे add करो उस network को, वो भी बहुत जरूरी था. तो for angel investors, most people shouldn't invest in companies. This is one of the rare asset classes where the asset chooses you. Like आपको ये समझाना पड़ेगा टॉप फाउंडर को कि बॉस आप मैं आपका चेक क्यों लूं, राइट? जैसे रेवंत में मतलब आपका वो बॉन्ड था रेवंत के साथ बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क एंड द हेल्पफुलनेस. मोस्ट पीपल विल नॉट बी एबल टू आंसर दैट वैल्यू इक्वेशन प्रीटी वेल और क्लियरली. तो आप या तो योर बेटर स्ट्रेटजी इज टू स्टार्ट अ हॉट कंपनी एंड founder and then start investing. When you have access also, you will not see the best deals. Like you will need online platforms or other people who are connected to show you access to best opportunities here. And best opportunities will drive the most IRR in this asset class.
So I got hold of this chart. Look at the IRR numbers. One, it takes a lot more investments.
Huh.
And then still IRR is like barely touching 15. right? So
Liquidity, it's
what
not
we were
that.
discussing at the beginning कि it looks like more status game than wealth creation. Wealth creation तो बहुत कम लोग कर रहे हैं, right? Who do this professionally, know this very well, have access. What do you say?
इंडिया में टॉप एंजल्स ने कितना पैसा बनाया होगा? लाइक आई मीन हु आर द 5 एंजल्स हु यू थिंक हैव मेड सीरियस मनी फ्रॉम जस्ट एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग? Titan Capital, I think, will be a good
I
example.
think angel investor, पता नहीं angel, like there are sorts, like what you're saying with Coin26, ऐसे like these stories are there, right?
I've never calculated the IRR. I don't think I ever will because my objective of angel investing was never this, right? It was to actually support people like you and say कि यार बनाओ यार, टेंशन मत लो, देखते हैं. More critically, it was to learn कि भाई कुछ सीखने कैसे मिलेगा? How do you continuously keep learning, right?
Learning is the best. Like, I mean, it's the best form of pseudo entrepreneurship. Like, that's why I got started. कि बॉस आपको 5-10 फाउंडर्स से अगर आधा घंटा भी हफ्ते में मिल जाए, just to learn about different industries all at once, it's a crash course of a MBA.
Yeah. So let's take this, right? कि 10 साल का एक व्यू ले लो आप कि 10 रुपए इन्वेस्ट किए मैंने सीड राउंड पे, that became 100x, okay? Which is, let's say, your Bharat Pay or your CoinDCX investment itself, right? Which is, I think, the 100-200x kind of situation. That is a XIRR of 58%, by the way. Now, first, how do angels play this game and how do VCs play this game? So let's say you invested. What a VC would do is year 2 में जब round हो रहा है तो would maintain their shareholding or put more money, which is the second version I have shown. जिसमें your XIRR reduces, but absolute dollar in to absolute dollar out, and while the MOIC also shows a 60x, this is actually better because your ability, and this is very important, like while you make less IRR and less multiple, what is more important is to understand that this is what happens, right? If you do angel investments, you would do 20. And let's take this example, एक जगह आपका 100x बना, एक जगह 50x बना, एक जगह 10x बना, एक जगह 5x, एक जगह 2x, बाकी सब 0 हो जाएंगे. This is power law, right?
Yeah.
So as per this power law, तो आपका on a portfolio of 200, or let's take 2 crore, you know, you're making 16 crores in 10 years, which is a 8x. But because this power law exists, and very few people, by the way, find a 100x. I think you would be one of those exceptions, Utsav, who's had at least, you had 2, I think, 100x's.
उससे तो
ज़्यादा हो गया, अच्छा ठीक है. So
Sugar Cosmetics was 100x, Bharat Pay was 240x, CoinD6 was 1000 और एक दो और भी हैं. I think 50 to 100 में ज़्यादा है.
Bro,
Which
ये
is why
cap
you're-
table पे होनी चाहिए for the company to become 100x. उल्टा है.
बस
चांद्रो यहाँ से 100x.
to this
हाँ?
point,
यहाँ से 100x.
यहाँ से
ले आओ
Utsav,
Yeah.
Utsav on the cap table. By the way, the examples that he gave, the definition is buy low, sell high. Like he's, I think, bought in at, like Sugar, your entry price was what, 15 crore again?
12.
12 crore. Like by design, you have to really enter at a price and the company shouldn't dilute. But anyway, coming back to
But
this.
वो era भी बहुत अलग था. That era was different.
Correct.
अब तो
2015-16 में you are entering at these 10-12 crores kind of situations. Like a whole
That is the sweet spot, yaar.
sweet spot.
Anything
Correct.
beyond that, like now 35-40 crores पे seed round हो रहा है, there is, I don't see 50x happening on that, even if the company does very well.
Yeah. So, but just to finish this thought, what you were asking, Chirag, is any angel investor will end up doing 20 bets. So, for you to make a 8x on the entire portfolio, you would need a 100x.
इस पे क्या XIRR बन रहा?
It takes in 10 years.
हाँ,
It's not
25%.
हाँ, it's not that impressive.
हाँ, 25% हुआ ना, 25%. But this is what most angel investors look like, and I'll tell you the reason also. Because even if you get the 100x, आपने सब जगह इक्वल पैसा डाला है, आपने हर जगह 10 लाख डाले हैं, right?
हाँ,
Now what?
वो usually होता है.
हाँ, वो होता नहीं है. दूसरा, second, can you do this? Can you actually deploy in the Series A and Series B round, which requires a lot more capital, which is what a fund structure allows you to do. कि तुम्हें जब दिख रहा है ना कोई विनर है, तो यार it's okay कि 100x होने वाला है तो और पैसा घुसा दो करके, because even that check will become 50x.
I
Or
think
even
that's- I don't know what Utsav you think. Yeah, I don't know what you think, Utsav, about this, but I don't think angels should stick around for 10 years. So
Sorry,
the
just
ability,
to-
हाँ,
This is exactly the third point कि आपका 100x as a angel बनता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि 12, 15, 20x पे ही the other shareholders will like कि इनको यार हटाओ करके types. Like what happened with me with Shantanu. The institutional investor came in and like, yeah, wipe out these guys. ये क्या nonsense कर रहे हैं लोग, मेरे को और stake चाहिए. And I'm like, ठीक है यार.
Oh, hello, they happened with me in Mosaic also, by the way.
Exactly, मैं वही कहने वाला था. बहुत रेवन का ना सूची कॉल आता है कि बहुत
क्या
good news
straight
and bad
कैसे
news
बोलता है?
दोनों. कहते हैं गुड न्यूज एंड बैड न्यूज दोनों है. तो मैंने कहा पहले गुड न्यूज सुना दो. कहते हैं आपका मार्कअप हो गया. बैड न्यूज है कि सर थोड़ा खुश करना पड़ेगा. फ्यूचर वीसीज आ रहे हैं, ओनरशिप
flow.
आते हैं.
But then Shantanu, why did you say that angels shouldn't stick around for 10 years?
My view is my view is instead of 8x in 10 years, if you can churn the investment every 3-4 years, especially as Utsav is saying, if there is appetite to buy. So instead of 8x in 10 years, if you can do 4x in 3 years, then your IRR goes up to 35-40%.
पर अगर किसी का एक ही है और उसका तुक्का लगा बेचारे का, वो क्या करेगा?
अब मतलब आप वो सोचो ना किसी ने
वो तो बोल रहा है
मतलब
बैठे रहो।
किसी
यार
ने
इन
आपको
अर्ली स्टेज में
कितना
शांतनु आई
बुरा
डिसएग्री
लगेगा।
यार. It's very rare to get a
हाँ।
success. You should like आज
Stick
very fresh. Some angel investment I did 2 years back. The founder pinged and said, "There's a buyer." I'm like, "Can I stay?" He's like, "No problem." 2 days हो गए. He's like, "यार, there's a lot of pressure." I said, I tell you what Kashyap at Rainmaker told me, which I really is what I say. I come with the permission of the founder. I exit with the permission of the founder. आपको चाहिए, मेरे को जाना नहीं है, but अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप बता दो, I will leave. But ये दिक्कत होती है यार. Like, see, the founder has to solve for so many things, right? And
नहीं, but मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ आपको कि if you do the same, all the same companies, but instead of 10 years, you do the same 200 investment, but you have a life cycle, gestation cycle of 4 to 5 years, you don't need the 100x.
नहीं
That's what
यार,
I'm saying.
the
Opportunity
losses are a lot more in volume. Sorry, sir. Yeah, you should.
हाँ एंड वैल्यू भी वो भी होता है ना कि वैल्यू आई मीन द मनी दैट यू टेकन आउट यू नीड टू हैव इन्वेस्टेबल अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर दैट आल्सो
You're right. Compounding
Right.
happens only later on.
एग्जैक्टली
Correct.
लाइक द
Linear नहीं होता वो।
चार्ट लुक क्रेजी लाइक वो जे कर्व जब दिखता है मतलब दैट्स फैसिनेटिंग बिकॉज़ अ 50x इवन गोइंग 2x a 50x multiple is 100x
Yeah.
but starting from 1x and going to 100x is very very tough.
यार, it's the same what we were
Doubling
discussing
down
in
better
the.
strategy लग रही है फिर तो।
हाँ, मैं तो वही एक्सेल में दिखा रहा था मैं. Like the reason funds make a lot more money compared to angels. Why angel investing will never be a good IRR business is if a fund manager does his job well. कि यार मुझे दिख रहा है ये 100x होगा. Might as well make 50x by putting more money after 1 year. Might as well make 25x more. Because you are inside the company. You have a lot more data to believe that यहाँ से 10x होगा करके ये.
हो सकता है हाँ
हाँ, फाउंडर का प्रूफ पॉइंट भी आ गया अब तो कि यार एग्जीक्यूट कर पा रहा है, नहीं कर पा रहा है। डे वन सीट पे तो यार एवरीथिंग इज लाइक पेपर प्लान।
And what has happened now is कि many of the angel investors have started becoming fund managers as well. ये graduation भी बहुत हो रहा है because they've realized कि मतलब they've built a track record, people are willing to give them money for their access वगैरह, तो अब fund manager बन जाते हैं. But अब इतना पिछले 2-3 साल में जो funds इतने announced हुए हैं, I don't think the universe of companies in India can support that.
But tell me this, Utsav.
Yeah.
US में same हुआ है ना? I'm seeing the rise of this solo GP in the US. Like there are solo GPs with $1 billion funds now.
Elliot Gill, yeah.
So, and there are enough with 100 million funds also now.
Yeah,
Right?
Angel
So-
powers most of them. But
Yeah.
यूएस में इन्वेस्टेबल अपॉर्चुनिटीज इतनी है आप वहां पे एक स्पेसिफिक बायोटेक फंड चला सकते हो आप वहां पे स्पेसिफिक 10 15 20 क्रिप्टो फंड चला सकते हो और फिर भी आप कवर नहीं कर पाओगे वहां पे स्पेसिफिक न्यूयॉर्क में फिनटेक फंड चला सकते हो यहाँ पे कौन सी इतनी डेप्थ है मार्केट में कि यू कैन हैव अ स्पेसिफिक बायोटेक फंड और यू कैन हैव अ स्पेसिफिक स्पेस टेक फंड तो डेप्थ ऑफ मार्केट्स इज आल्सो वेरी डिफरेंट द मैच्योरिटी इज वे हायर इन टर्म्स ऑफ द मार्केट साइज ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी देयर एज वेल तो वहां पे तो इट्स नीडेड I think the opportunity of investable opportunities, I think is fascinating there.
I think maybe a lot of 100 crore, 200 crore funds should exist with, let's say, solo GPs who were maybe previously good angels, and that's happened.
That is what will happen. The barbell strategy will be in play. Like the middle
What's a
में
barbell strategy? Oh, okay, you do.
कि
Got it.
या तो large stack funds हैं, do full stake. मतलब इस 1 million to pre IPO rounds भी कर सकते हैं अपने global funds को लेके soft solid brand names heritage है 10-20 साल का तो आप वो beat नहीं कर सकते या बहुत specialized seed funds होंगे who will have unique access to something that they've built up over the last I mean shorter time frame but have built up right ये सब रहेंगे and बीच में जो funds है ना who are trying to build a brand name in that 100-200 million category वो बहुत tough होने वाला है because they're neither here nor there right
But
So
there'll be
founder
enough
doesn't-
opportunities. See, what I'm saying is people have started to, by the way, carve this out. Like, I know brands is the easiest one. There are deep tech funds. I'm seeing agri-tech funds. There are funds now saying Bharat only. Like, so I think ये जो heterogeneity है ना इंडिया की, उसमें ये cuts आते रहेंगे थोड़ा-थोड़ा. See, if we believe that next 15 years consumption economy रहेगा अपना, ठीक है, maybe AI में will not really do any तोड़-फोड़. Never say never, but let's say for now दिख नहीं रहा है. But as long as we believe that the consumption story will play out, और अभी एक क्विककॉम का वेव आया तो थोड़े से हम एक्साइट हो गए हैं. I think more such things will come. Like if you look at the content games, I know dark patterns का issue है, but at least for the seed and series A people, these are good investments, and now these are profitable companies. At least for a 100 million fund, I feel there are enough and more plays that will keep coming out. Like 50, 100 million pay is a sweet spot where you will see a bunch of unique, as long as they are playing to their strengths. Like for
हाँ.
someone to say कि मैं यही करूंगा और वो वही करते रहेंगे करके. They'll go deep, not broad. I think what you're saying is breadth people can do with a brand. The day of breadth is gone. You either need specialized access like these angels who become fund managers, or you need very deep expertise on a thesis ki we will understand space tech and we will only do space tech or climate tech, deep tech, whatever it is. And
Right.
मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. Of course, these returns will also not look like 40% IRR returns. I think it's a journey again, right? It's a
हाँ.
journey that people will have to undertake and get to the answer. I still think the broader problem remains on domestic capital pools becoming large LPs in these funds. I still think that's the source of the problem that we need to solve, because institutional LPs in the US will not take sub $10 million checks. Like,
Yeah.
let's say you want to raise a 50 million fund. Like, so then you need a lot of these 1 million to 5 million checks, which are largely domestic HNI investors who are still saying, "Ki yaar, public market mein, I have a right to play, I have a right to win." And because historically VC has not given us good returns, because enough family offices have played the India venture game, we've got enough data points now to say, "Ki yaar, these returns, while decent, don't really give me the risk-adjusted return." Because in the end, the problem of 10-year illiquidity is 35% IRR देना पड़ेगा आपको, वरना मेरे को 20-22% तो लिक्विड में अगर मिल पा रहा है, जुगाड़ करके भी चलो,
हाँ.
इंसाइडर है, मेरा my PMS guy is really good, whatever it is, right? They're still able to get 18-20% in a risk-adjusted public market. Whether they get it in the future or not is anybody's question. But yeah, end mein I've seen this, the choicest real estate deals. Like if you have 10,000 crores in India today, na, like there are products being built for you. Ki bhai aap paisa banao karke. Right? Like there are enough asymmetric opportunities being thrown at these large families who have liquid more than $1 billion. And I think that's the pool of capital that needs to start allocating maybe more to private venture, which it's happening, but I don't know how. It has to deepen a lot more in my view.
एब्सोल्युटली एंड आई थिंक इंडिया में ना फैमिली ऑफिसेज वगैरह भी इतने सोफिस्टिकेटेड हुए नहीं है, बिकॉज जो आई थिंक उनके सीआईओज वगैरह है ना, वो गेट कीपर्स एक्ट करना चाहते हैं. सबको अपनी गुद्दी थोड़ी सी लूज होते हुए नजर आती है, तो वो कहते हैं कि हम ही अपॉर्चुनिटी डायरेक्ट कर लेंगे. हमें कोई जेप्टो या स्विगी की सेकेंडरीज दिखा रहा है तो हमारे पास बाकी भी आ जाएंगी, तो हम बेटर फंड मैनेजर हैं. तो जब तक वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं होगी कि हियर मैनेजर इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पब्लिक मार्केट में तो सबके पास ही सेम डेटा है, प्राइवेट मार्केट में सबके पास सेम डेटा नहीं है. तो जब तक वो फैमिलीज को पता नहीं लगेगा, राइट. एंड अब वो धीरे धीरे चेंज होगा, क्योंकि आप देखो ना, किसी ने भी स्विगी के आईपीओ में 300-350 पे डाले होंगे तो थोड़ा सा बम्प अप मिला. किसी ने अब अर्बन कंपनी का रिटर्न्स देख लिए, जोमेटो के तो लिस्टिंग के बाद भी गेन्स हुए हैं. तो दैट इज चेंजिंग स्लोली कि नाउ दैट टेक कंपनीज विल बी टेकन वेरी वेरी सीरियसली ओवरऑल. सो
That's a good point, actually. The more tech companies become IPO, people will say, "Yaar, why do we? ठीक है, we have got a 40-50% return from pre-IPO/IPO also. But if we could get into these companies 3 years, 4 years before and get a much higher IRR/return, then Yahoo's giving us that access. And then even before that, I think वही है, थोड़ा सा maturity time लगेगा. I actually don't blame the CIOs, यार. See, if for 15 years you have given little bit money and seen
हाँ.
GPs not return capital or not
तो
return at the IRR that they expected to return, then थोड़ा सा तो एक bad blood हो ही जाता ना कि यार मतलब
इसमें आई मीन पब्लिक मार्केट्स तो एवरेज निकाल लेते हैं 10-12% दिस थिंग. वो भी एक्सपेक्टेशन 15 हो गई है, बट हिस्ट्री राइम्स डजंट रिपीट. मानना तो ये है, बिकॉज प्लेटफॉर्म शिफ्ट्स इसमें बहुत तगड़े होते हैं, राइट. मतलब एआई में अगर कोई अर्ली है, लाइक आई मीन इन्फोसिस की इन्वेस्टमेंट है ओपन एआई में, सोचो. मतलब ऐसी कोई अगर हॉट कंपनी में आप पहले हो तो मतलब आप सॉलिड हो सकते हो. तो
yeah.
यूएस में ना आई थिंक व्हाट्स वर्कड रियली वेल कि जो आईपीओ फाउंडर्स थे ना, उनने ही अपने आइकॉनिक कैपिटल के थ्रू, व्हिच इज द मल्टी फैमिली ऑफिस फॉर ऑल ऑफ दीस गाइस, उनने ही अपने इतने फंड्स चालू कर दिए, तो सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी वहां बन गई. वो इंडिया में धीरे धीरे होने लगेगा. आप देखो निखिल कामत तो अब 100-200 करोड़ के चेक्स लीड ही कर देता है वो. मिथुन
Correct.
संचेती, बिनी बंसल. सो दैट and they will become role models for other traditional family offices to come and emulate that model, where Binny Bansal, Nikhil Kamath is writing big checks into like Ather Energy or these companies. तो धीरे धीरे बाकी सब भी पॉकेट्स तो खोलेंगे.
It's a good
बट
point,
अर्ली
actually.
स्टेज में कितना जाएगा कि लेट स्टेज में कितना जाएगा, वो देखना पड़ेगा ऑफ कोर्स.
You need new age founders to now build their family offices with the vision that we understand this game, we will play this game. It's a very good point, actually. But that goes back to what Chirag was saying. Maybe we need more wealth in the hands of the new age employees as well. But you're right. Actually, Dipinder put what, 20 million in Ultra Human, right? you're right.
He led the round.
He's done that
Yeah.
aircraft company also, na? So he's doing
Aerospace.
some of these very, very like long-termish country-seeking bets.
Yeah.
I think वही मैं दिखा रहा था. This is the graph on the left-hand side is startup IPOs.
Hmm.
2025 is 16,000 plus 54,000. So that's approximately 70,000 crores of IPO size.
Hmm.
अब उसमें से OFS जो है ना, at least we calculated OFS around 40,000 crores is OFS. Okay.
Yeah.
Which is the secondary going out. And then I tried to do some maths in terms of, let's say, if 10% is employee founder share of OFS, that itself is 3,900 crores. And then 5% if it gets back to angel, that's 200 crores of money going back to angel investments. So at 10 lakh rupees of average check size, this number can range from, if you take a midpoint of these base calculations, it comes out to around 7,000 new angel checks.
Hmm.
So this is the kind of money in a single year when the companies are doing IPOs. Should at least go back. I think what Utsav is saying, it will probably not go back in terms of angel checks. It will go back in terms of these participation in funds, multifamily offices. Late stage kitna jata hai? I think people need to go back to early stage, right? If
Yeah.
there is serious amount of money towards innovation, taking longer term bets, which are over 5-10 year out.
Yeah.
नहीं, इसमें ना आई थिंक 2-3 चीजें आई थिंक गुड इट्स अ रियली गुड पॉइंट अराउंड न्यू एज फाउंडर्स लाइक राइटिंग लार्ज चेक्स बिकॉज एक तो एक्सेस टू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कैपिटल है, ऊपर से एक्सपर्टीज है. दे कैन these 7,000 checks can come in, and someone like a Dipinder or anyone actually with some amount of liquidity, if they are able to do a lead like a Series B, Series C, then mortality risk of these 7,000 checks also drastically falls. So you have this money flowing through, and then you also are preventing leakages out, like by like removing write-offs in a way, right? Which is many times because premature lack of ability, like premature lack of capital. So I think it will have a lot of circular effects if we have more people doing this.
100%. But I mean, types of angel investors भी I think audience के लिए आपके important है कि नहीं वैसे?
Say more.
हाँ, बताओ.
So different types of angel investors. I actually wrote about this, right? Somebody who's like an ex-operator, like I mean, you get somebody on your cap table for basically very specific need. Like, agar if he's a CTO of say a developer large company, then he's useful to a tech company that you're building. And then there's somebody like Revant who's a super connector plus operator plus star angel on your cap table. So increases your odds of success as well. So star angels का signaling effect भी काफी positive होता है to companies, I feel.
यार ये I think is now overdone यार. The signaling effect ना, in fact the reason, so a lot of people are asking me तुमने क्यों बंद किया? मैंने exactly इसके लिए बंद किया. The moment people start using your name ना, अच्छा रेवंत इस कैपिटल पे तो कुछ तो, अरे नहीं भाई मैं तो सीखने के लिए इन्वेस्ट किया यार, मुझे क्या पता कि कंपनी कैसा करेगी करके. Like
But आप फाउंडर के लिए देखो ना, फॉर
नहीं
अ फाउंडर
तूने
पर
कुछ
उत्सव
तो टिक
गलत
मार करा होगा ना, चाहे सीखने के लिए करा
नहीं,
होगा,
बंदा ठीक लगा यार मेरे को.
फाउंडर की एबिलिटी है, एग्जीक्यूट कर लेगा, चलो लेट मी सी. बिकॉज़ आई एम श्योर
कुछ
तू
आपने-
अगर उसमें तो इन्वेस्ट नहीं करेगा कि थीसिस है, मुझे नहीं पता फाउंडर करेगा नहीं करेगा. यू डन
मेरा
योर
उल्टा है. क्या बहुत
अनलेस तू बोल
clear
रहा है कि
उल्टा
तू
था.
कॉन्ट्रा बेट ले रहा है कि नहीं ये नहीं चलेगा, फिर भी मैं पैसे डाल के देखता हूँ.
हाँ, अनलेस की ज्यादा पैसे आ गए तो जलाते हैं भाई थोड़ा सा. कुछ सीख तो लेंगे एटलीस्ट इससे.
So
पैसे
one-
नहीं बने बट सीख
उतने-
पक्का लेंगे.
उतने पैसे तो कभी थे ही नहीं लाइफ में. बट कमिंग बैक, आई हैव ऑलवेज डन only for if I like and if I can learn. Okay. I remember before I stopped, the 18 months before that, I would ask only one thing. Ki, yaar, what is it that I can add as value to you? Because money you have, you can get, money is fungible. What is the value add that I can do to you? And in case the answer is not clear, na, then नहीं करना है यार करके. Because then क्यों ला रहे हो तुम करके? यार तुम्हें कोई फायदा होने नहीं वाला है. And most of those cases where नहीं आपका नाम होगा तो अच्छा होगा. नहीं है यार, ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता है. ये myth है ये. Right? Because I would remember there was a time, I think 21 or 22, a lot of people would call and take a ref check कि we're evaluating this company, you're an angel. I'm like, मैं थोड़ी रोज बैठ के उससे बात कर रहा हूँ कि मुझे मेरा कोई व्यू होगा कि कंपनी में आपको करना चाहिए कि नहीं करके. So I think this became too big a thing in between, where you need to have these 4 people, then people would perceive your company to be a little better than what it is. I think it was okay till it was signaled. It just became noise after a while. See, if you're doing selective 2 investments in a year with a very compelling thought process, then you can say, yaar, we respect this guy. We respect his opinion. He's only doing 1 or 2 bets which are very thoughtful. Then let's listen to him. So, बीच में थोड़ा सा process हो गया था. So, I don't know if it has changed, but anyway, I stopped doing. But my view is no one should do it for that, yeah. सिग्नल
No,
के
no,
लिए
no.
नहीं
I
करना
don't
है।
think.
So
I don't
स्टार
think
की
it's.
जगह मैं स्मार्ट एंजल कहूंगा बेसिकली आई थिंक लेट मी करेक्ट माई सेल्फ कि स्टार एंजल की जगह स्मार्ट एंजल बीइंग ऑन योर कैप टेबल इट हेल्प्स द फाउंडर फॉर श्योर समटाइम्स यू माइट डू अ 30-minute call with him or her but
हाँ।
having say a good name on your cap table does open doors like in terms of hiring in terms of future round investors वगैरह it does help the founder
I
it
still
depends
think
on what the intentions of the founder are
I still think founders should do it because you want help. Ki I need a 30-minute call, and because you are very busy, the reason you will get on a call is because you have put a check. That means you have some skin in the game to give me 30 minutes, and I will want to jam with you on something, and you will give me time, right? Or I want to connect, and you may have connects in this XYZ place, right? Like I am pretty sure Shantanu's McKinsey alumni angels have opened every door for him possible globally, right? So that makes sense, but it should still not be from a perspective of like the angel should believe that you are worth that connection, so you need to still meet that bar. Nobody will make a connect and put their relationships at risk because everybody gets only certain cards, right, to play. So they will also want to make sure that yaar, you are going to leverage that relationship well, and all of these are conversations that require more than 30 minutes. Yeah, so jo I'm just saying वो speed dating वाला sense नहीं बनता है. Like you should be really meticulous on how you construct the cap table, including angels, मेरे हिसाब से तो.
But
तो
RB, I don't think it
very
is about
smart
signaling on the founder. It is about signaling from you.
Hmm.
So founder signaling that Revant has invested is fine. It is whatever. Like
Yeah.
if you do a lot, then that signal is weak and become noise. But if you, for example, are talking to GV or you're talking to Mukul and saying, boss, मैंने तगड़ा angel किया हुआ है. The growth is amazing. It's still a little early stage, but एक बार you guys want to check it. The way a later stage investor will view that company versus if the founder were to pitch is hugely different, whether you like
Don't
it or not.
disagree.
That
I don't
is the
disagree.
value.
I
That
don't
is the
disagree.
value.
But for that, you need to
Also-
meet the bar, na? I can't
No,
because
no.
I will never even. You may need the money and you may need a warm connect, but if I don't think you're meeting the bar, I will not connect you. Why will I? Because people will stop respecting my word if I say that नहीं बहुत बढ़िया और actually बढ़िया नहीं है करके.
You will be amazed at the number of good companies that actually need the connect.
Yeah, so I actually wrote an article on this कि cap table जब बनाते हो ना तो classify your investors अगर सोच के बनाया है आपने into these categories. काफी लोग branded capital हैं कि मतलब WhatsApp पे invest कर दिया but कभी कुछ करेंगे नहीं and वो negative signal over time हो जाते हैं as their portfolio sizes increase. कोई super connectors हैं कि वो आपको पूरी दुनिया से connect कर सकते हैं, right? Any VC वगैरह and sometimes they are I mean, just pure cheerleaders, just financial capital, कोई branded capital, कोई brute force capital कि इतना check लिख सकते हैं कि I mean, जो अभी exited founders हैं कि वो 100-200 करोड़ तो खुद ही लिख सकते हैं. So think about the capital that you're taking and classify them. Some you might just be taking कि PR में भी अच्छा लगता है. For a founder to early stage में PR आना is great for hiring वगैरह, some for some companies, right? Some के लिए it's not good, some के लिए it's good. So वो फाउंडर होगा टॉप का अगर टाइटन कैपिटल ने लीड करी है किसी ने करी तो देयर चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग प्रोमिनेंस इन द अर्ली डेज आल्सो हेल्प्स एवरी स्मॉल डिसीजन कैन ऐड अप इन मोटिव सही होना चाहिए एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट विद चिराग एंड शांतनु आल्सो कि ये ट्रेंड बेस्ड फाउंडर्स भी बहुत हो गए हैं थ्रासियो क्लोन्स चले तो काफ़ी सारे चले फिर उसके बाद वेब3 चला तो वेब3 काफ़ी चला क्विक कॉमर्स और वर्टिकल क्विक कॉमर्स काफ़ी चल रहा है फिर एआई कंपनीज सब एआई बेस्ड कंपनीज कर रहे हैं तो देयर इंसेंटिव्स एंड मोटिवेशंस आल्सो माइट नॉट बी अलाइंड that way. So I think as a good angel investor, staying away from that noise also, I think helps.
Good point, actually. I like this classification. You should add one more. NVIDIA employees. One more kind of
One
investor.
more.
There's a lot of liquidity and access to and want to.
Boss, in US, that's crazy. Like, मतलब black market dealings चल रही हैं, मतलब literally, I think. Yeah, I think
Involving
it's
one of.
like, I mean, GPUs आपको NVIDIA से नहीं मिल रहे. So there are like dealers who call कि I have 100 that have shipped, come to me. Like, do you want them? Like,
Wow.
GPUs. So it's like a serious black market that's going on in the US.
Oh wow.
Wild. I had no idea.
Yeah. मतलब it's, I mean, you can't buy them. Like, it's not available at a store और NVIDIA तो आपसे अगर आप छोटे मोटे प्लेयर हो तो बात भी नहीं करेगा directly.
But
So, yeah.
Utsav,
Interesting.
thanks for that list of 6 reasons, right? But I think you've covered the good side. In your broad experience of now a decade plus of angel and seed investing, what is the negative side you've seen? Like, I'm sure you've seen enough
Yeah, negatives.
company friendly behavior also, right?
Oh man, like I think one thing that I recommend to all founders कि यार investor update भेज दिया करो early days में. आपके पास VCs वगैरह आ गए तो फिर इतना नहीं कि साल में एक बता दो या कॉल कर लो. But आप क्वार्टरली फाउंडर वो जागता तब है जब उसे हेल्प चाहिए होती है और मेरे पास कॉन्टेक्ट कुछ नहीं होता, फिर कहता है कि कैन यू कनेक्ट मी टू दीज 4 वीसीज। अगर मेरे पास कॉन्टेक्ट ही नहीं है यार तो ट्रस्ट भी नहीं बिल्ड होगा ना। अगर हमारी जूम की रिलेशनशिप है जो साल में एक जूम कॉल होती है कभी, तो उसको ट्रस्ट में आप अगर डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं कर सकते इन इन्वेस्टर अपडेट, आई थिंक दैट इज लॉस्ट कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड लॉस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू ऑल्सो। अगर कंपनी अच्छा कर रही है, नहीं अच्छा कर रही, तो कैसे मैं हेल्प करूँ, वो सब आपको डॉक्यूमेंट करना चाहिए। I think that's one. Ethical challenges also became a big thing, I think, in the startup ecosystem. People doing different things with company funds and many other things, cases that have come up into the ecosystem because fast growth हुई इतनी जल्दी तो वो catch up भी जल्दी हो गया उसका सारा ethical part. So I think that was a bad one. देन एग्जिट्स वगैरह में तो होता ही रहता है, मतलब कोई वीसी आपको बैड टर्म्स दे रहे हैं, आपको दिस थिंग, तो समटाइम्स द मार्केट इज नॉट फेयर हियर। आई थिंक यहाँ पे तो बिकॉज इट्स नॉट द प्राइस डिस्कवरी इज नॉट फेयर इन योर फेवर ऑल्सो। तो समटाइम्स देयर बीन केसेस वेयर फाउंडर्स आस्क्ड मी टू लीव एंड सेड कि देयर इज नो एग्जिट फॉर एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 years एंड सडनली उसका 2 महीने बाद कोई राउंड अनाउंस हो जाता है उससे
Oh
बड़ा।
God.
सो ये केसेस भी हुए हैं, लाइक ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ दिस थिंग, आई मीन वेरी आउटलायर केसेस, बट या
And reverse
एंड
side, where you've seen angels behave very poorly or badly from a company perspective, वो भी तो देखा होगा आपने।
बहुत तंग करते हैं यार। एसेट क्लास समझ के आया करो इसमें। लाइक आई मीन इफ यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि फाउंडर आपको कभी भी कॉल करेगा, आपसे चिट चैट करेगा, वो सब नहीं होगा। यू आर नॉट बाइंग फ्रेंडशिप। एंड ऑफ द
Correct.
डे इट्स इन वेरी फ्यू केसेस इट टर्न्स इनटू फ्रेंडशिप, बट एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स अ बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन। यू आर रेजिंग मनी सो एंड इन्वेस्टिंग मनी, तो जस्ट कीप योर हैंड्स ऑफ। आपके MIS वगैरह ये सब तो लिखा हुआ है, ये साल में एक बार आपको आना ही है, आपको ये सब डॉक्स तो बेयर बेसिक उतना तो मिलता है, बट डोंट ट्रबल द फाउंडर। सो डोंट टेक money from any source also for a founder. I think all
Yeah.
angels are not equal.
I think you
Yeah.
had this classification of angels or why super connectors ये वो, right? मेरा उल्टा definition है angels का। उल्टा नहीं, I mean, I have a different definition. It's very simple. People who put money and they forget about it. Like, help करना है करो जो भी है, like, you have to write off कि because 90% will go to zero. जब आएगा तब आएगा करके। People who don't write off or keep some calculation कि क्या हो रहा है, 2x हुआ है, 3x हुआ है, 4x हुआ है, कहाँ जा रहा है करके। And the third is people who are like full मुनी कि भाई क्या चल रहा है, which is the third class that you said, right? यार MIS नहीं आ रहा है, यार ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है, ये राउंड पे क्या प्राइस हुआ, इसमें क्या हुआ, उसमें क्या हुआ, कैन आई पुट मोर, कैन आई एग्जिट नाउ, इज लाइक फुल जान, जैसे कि भाई मतलब मैं फंडी हूँ करके टाइप्स। I think that is what you should avoid ideally because that is the class of investors who don't understand that this is a
Yeah.
first 7 years you will only have write-offs. Companies that shut in the first 3 to 4 years, right?
Yeah.
Companies that give you 1 to 3x will actually give you that in like 4 to 8 years. And your 50x अगर आना है तो वो 9th और 10th year में आना है. Like you have to wait it out and just cross your fingers and hope कि वो एक 50x आएगा करके. Like if you had not seen the 2021 bull cycle, you would have also had to wait for these 200x's in the same companies. The companies were great, but maybe Sugar would have given you that in 2025 and not in 2021, right?
Yeah.
So sometimes luck turns your way, and I think you were one of the sharpest guys, like some of the US investors who in the bull run at least took out the money. Most people did not, right? Like it's now very well known that those valuations are not coming back, right? 2021, 2, 3 valuations are not coming
And
back except for maybe a Misho or a Grow, which have actually fundamentally grown from there. Otherwise, most businesses are struggling to justify those valuations that they raised at. So,
valuations. होता क्या है कि एक्चुअली इंडियन स्टार्टअप वर्ल्ड और just स्टार्टअप वर्ल्ड इन जनरल, आई थिंक गेट्स डिसप्रोपोर्शनेट अमाउंट ऑफ एयर टाइम ऑन न्यूज चैनल्स एंड जस्ट द मीडिया कवरेज, लाइक एंड स्पेशली आफ्टर शार्क टैंक एंड ये सब स्टार्टअप एकदम रेगुलर डिस्कोर्स में ज़्यादा आ गया है यार। स्टार्टअप का एक IPO होता है, उसके बाद 15-20 कंपनीज ट्रेडिशनल जो IPO करती हैं, एवरी वन इन आई थिंक 15-20 स्टार्टअप्स कंपनीज बीइंग लिस्टेड एज अ स्टार्टअप। अर्बन कंपनी IPO का इतना हाइप हुआ है या जोमेटो के IPO का इतना हाइप हुआ है कि बॉस उनके P मल्टीपल्स देख लो आप, मतलब बाकी कोई कंपनी की बात भी नहीं करता। तो ये स्टार्टअप वर्ल्ड को हाइप भी ज़्यादा मिलती है। अब एक कोई एंजल ने 100 करोड़ बनाए फ्रॉम लाइक अर्बन कंपनी या मामा अर्थ, उसकी इतनी कहानियां प्रिंट हो जाती हैं कि बॉस वो अब उसके बाद जो अगले 100 एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स आएंगे ना, वो कोई पैसे नहीं बनाने वाला इन चेज ऑफ दैट ड्रीम। सो वो हीरोइक एटीट्यूड जो दिया हुआ है हमने स्टार्टअप वर्ल्ड को, आई थिंक दैट ऑल्सो हैज अ पार्ट, और एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग को पार्ट टू प्ले इन दीज एक्सपेक्टेशंस। सो एक्सपेक्टेशन सेटिंग सही नहीं हुई। अब कितने भी रिवॉर्ड रिस्क का वो डिस्क्लेमर्स लगा लो, बट लोगों को फिर भी करना ही है खुद। But most people who have angel invested will not make money. Like that is the truth.
Utsav, ये थोड़ा agree with you on that कि it's not a money making thing, but if you don't celebrate some of these innovation first companies,
Hmm.
then how do you fuel that as an ecosystem? Because this needs to be celebrated also. I know that sometimes we go overboard in terms of, let's say, celebrating some of these things, but companies going for, I remember, आप 3 साल पहले जाओ, there used to be a statement कि इंडिया में companies का IPO नहीं होता है, startups का IPO नहीं होता है. At least that narrative is changing now, right? So
चेंजिंग, बट आप कितनी वीसी डेक्स देखो पिछले 10 साल में, इंडिया स्टोरी इतनी ओवरसोल्ड है ओवरसीज एंड हर जगह, तो वो रियलिस्टिक भी नहीं हुआ है, राइट? आई थिंक एक्सपेक्टेशन सेटिंग ऑन एलपी साइड, फाउंडर साइड, एवरीवेयर आई थिंक दैट अनरियलिस्टिक expectation is also set in.
Actually, what he's saying, Chirag, is fair. Sorry for the plug, Shantanu, but happiness is reality minus expectations. What he's saying is expectations तुमने ज्यादा set कर दी, reality बुरी नहीं है, but आपने expectation इतनी करी तो मैं खुश क्यों हूँ करके. That's why people are not happy कि यार तुमने तो और promise किया था करके. That's the limited point I think
Boss,
he's making.
आप ये देखो ना, जो बाकी 19 कंपनी आईपीओ जा रही हैं, किसी को पता ही नहीं है मतलब क्या हो रहा है उसमें. उनके दो आर्टिकल भी नहीं आते होंगे उन कंपनीज पे.
वो रेवंत उसी दिन बोल रहा था कि इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स पढ़ा था, फर्स्ट 5 पेजेस वर ऑफ कंपनीज आर गोइंग फॉर आईपीओ, वो प्रोस्पेक्टस था, एंड देन आई थिंक यू वर टेलिंग कि 4 नहीं पता थी तुझे.
पांचों
So
नहीं
I
पता
was
थी.
surprised कि 5 नहीं
I-
पता थी लोग.
एग्जैक्टली. तो
So
वो,
they can-
आई मीन, दो स्टोरीज ऑल्सो कैन बी सेलिब्रेटेड, बट आई मीन वही है कि आई थिंक एक्सपेक्टेशन वर्सेस रियलिटी, आई थिंक थोड़ा सा वो कन्वर्ज होना पड़ेगा एट सम पॉइंट.
to that point, Chirag, I also think it's a very misnomer, right? People call, like, when you hear the word angel, it's supposed to be कि यार आप थोड़ा angel जैसे behave करो ना, पैसे दो भूल जाओ करके, आप सिर्फ help करो. आप IRR क्यों calculate कर रहे हो? मतलब मेरा व्यू तो वही है कि I think some of it has to
नहीं,
just
वो
be paid
I
forward
think the
also.
purpose, इसीलिए मैंने पूछा था कि I think if people confuse ना, they will say that we want to like help the founder, but then end of the day they'll also want to see some amount of IRR, etc.
See,
etc.
there are two kinds of investments. Like some, like जैसे जब रेवंत ने बताया, I didn't even know what Mosaic Wellness was doing, and कोई deck कुछ नहीं होती. That was an angel investment because I wanted to maintain that friendship and full faith and trust in Revanth. Other cases, if you're taking an investment time, आप अपना पैसा और time भी तो डाल रहे हो, right? So you will want a return, यार, in that. Like, I mean, I'm not expecting कि Revanth as a friend, I'm expecting like to suck out financial returns from that relationship. But other 70-80% of the investments will be financial transactions.
And इसमें also I feel like sometimes ना there's like because of the insane boom in number of founders, and hence the quality will kind of, you'll see a distribution across the goodness of founders, right? I started, like, and you're right, I started seeing like lesser and lesser updates on companies. Like when you have not gotten venture funded, you should send out an update. I started seeing companies getting shut down, and then angels being told many months later that company is going through a shutdown process. Now, in that zone, now, then I started also, like, for example, what Revant was saying, that if I'll come in with the permission of the founder, I'll go out of the. ये सब सही लगता है. But then once there was an exit opportunity, abhi, just like a few months back, and then I was like, what's the price? Is there a discount to the primary? So there's radio silence. Then, so I'm a founder, so I know what might be going on, right? So is there a discount? Then there is like some hiding of information. It's not the most clean. Then I negotiated also. Okay, can I get this price? I was hating doing all of these things, but I was just projecting back what I felt was bad faith behavior. So then when the ecosystem started behaving that way, now then like everyone loses. So I think it's super critical that there is like uh, very clear understanding of what the asset, like you said, what the asset class is, what the risk profile of the asset class is, and what is basic good behavior from both the founder and investor. I think someone should document. Maybe if people are watching this episode, this could be a starting point for it, or the kind of literature you write, Utsav. But I think ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है, because I think this is not going away. You will see, because foreign investments in India are going to go down. There's so much domestic capital. A lot of it will get allocated to early to private asset classes. A lot of it that too early, and that's good because you're seeing money going from the top 1% super rich people down in the form of consumption, employment, and investments, right? But if those are low trust transactions, and low trust compounds very quickly, then it makes it very frictional. So उसको सही से डॉक्यूमेंट करना एंड काइंड ऑफ क्रिएटिंग गाइड रेल्स इज सुपर इम्पोर्टेंट इन माय व्यू।
डॉक्यूमेंट तो कर सकते हैं बट पीपल आर वेरी स्कैर्ड और कंपेंडियम बनाना ऑफ ऑल द नेगेटिव दिस थिंग नेम एंड शेम करना इंडिया में लोग डरते हैं स्पेशली इन आवर इकोसिस्टम एट स्केल टू अटैच योरसेल्फ टू अ नेगेटिव दिस थिंग सो आई डोंट नो हाउ दिस ऑल कम्स आउट दिस थिंग बट प्राइवेट में तो एटलीस्ट द स्टार्टअप वर्ल्ड इज दैट वेल कनेक्टेड if some bad founder does I mean of a certain scale and size does something then usually the word travels very fast it's a very hyper connected ecosystem.
Yeah. No, yeah. I think, for example, after this podcast, I really hope that if there is a founder whose company is 6 months old, ये podcast देख के वो like tomorrow is 1st of October, right? And when this episode airs, it's probably 3rd of October, right? That person will say, यार अभी quarter end हुआ है, let me send an update to everyone, which may not have been a part of their, let's say, plan, but I hope it becomes a part of a new founder's plan and becomes a.
And
That
do
is one spot.
fantasy updates यार do fantasy updates 20 मिनट लगते हैं आपको अपडेट लिखने में अगर डेटा आपके पास कलेक्टेड है और ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है और अगर सही सिस्टम बना लो तो जल्दी से भी हो सकता है ब्रीफ अपडेट कोई किसी को लंबी चौड़ी चिट्ठी नहीं
WhatsApp मैसेज यार 4 बुलेट पॉइंट WhatsApp में रेवन मेरे को कितना बोलता था
चाहिए
कि जब तेरे मेल लंबे लंबे होते हैं ना तो मेरे को पता है कि तू कुछ
कोई
छिपा
नहीं
रहा है।
पता
सेंड 4 5 बुलेट पॉइंट्स, गुड न्यूज बैड न्यूज सब कुछ एक साथ 5 बुलेट पॉइंट WhatsApp मैसेज में आना चाहिए विदाउट रीड मोर क्लिक।
Nobody's
यार
going to
आजकल
take money from me, Shantanu, after they hear all of this, right? कि बेचारा फाउंडर 5000 वर्ड का अपडेट भेज रहा है और बोर्ड मेंबर बोल रहा है कि भाई छुपा रहा है कुछ 4 लाइन भेज कर।
बताओ आप यू हैव बीन सेइंग दैट कि यू नो वन शुड सेंड क्वार्टरली स्लैश 6 मंथली स्लैश एनुअल अपडेट बट क्या इसमें भी आपने देखा है देयर आर बैड एक्टर्स हु वुड यूज दिस डू अ कंपीटिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट हाउ शुड वन टेक केयर ऑफ
100%.
दैट
ये एक प्रॉब्लम
ये
है
भी
और
होता है
सर ये like we stopped
प्रॉब्लम
after
और स्पेशली व्हेन कैपिटल्स बिकम लार्ज ना अभी लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आई वुड हैव 50 प्लस सिमिलरली आई थिंक रेवंत ने तो अभी कर दिया है बट
we
इट्स अ
are
लार्ज पूल
35 at peak.
सो देन यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल कि आप क्या डेटा दे रहे हो आप बिजनेस कमेंट्री मत दो कि आई एम लॉन्चिंग दीज न्यू वर्टिकल्स वगैरह बट MIS यार आपका फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट तो ऑलमोस्ट मतलब MCA पे फिर तो 6-8 मंथ लैग आ ही जाएगा दिस थिंग तो कुछ हाई लेवल फाइनेंशियल डेटा भेज दो
Actually, my view on this is little nuanced again. Utsav, I would say कि यार till you get to series A, series B, आप दे दो but उसके बाद फिर I think the VCs also don't want you to share. I think it's a
नहीं,
function of till you get to the
स्टेज
एक राउंड के बाद भी we used to send but after series B I'm like अब हो गया यार करके मतलब I
नहीं
don't
नहीं सीरीज बी तक भी भेज दिया वो दिस थिंग तो आई एम सेइंग
बहुत है।
VC हाँ वो भी बहुत है
मे बी
But जब
इसमें
आगे
भी
बढ़ना
इसमें भी
बहुत है।
कैटेगराइजेशन करना पड़ेगा फिर कि एक को सिर्फ खाली नंबर जा रहे हैं एक को कमेंट्री जा रही है एक को डिटेल्ड अपडेट जा रही है
नहीं उतना काम कैसे फिर तो यार
अरे,
then you are again
because-
adding work ना
वेस्टर अपडेट में
अब लेट्स
मैं
से
बताऊं?
उत्सव
Also,
से
I'll
हेल्प
tell you what-
चाहिए बट उत्सव डजंट नो कॉन्टेक्स्ट अबाउट द कंपनी बिकॉज़ किसी को नहीं भेज रहे
but very interesting thing
You know how
Chirag,
I
I've-
started doing it, by the way?
I get an angel update now even today. I mean even every month I get very I think Utsav you are only introduced right our pet care company. He
Right.
sends it every month and he sends a exploding email कि एक हफ्ते में content गायब हो जाएगा and you can't download you can't forward which is so good ना like yeah अगर किसी को बहुत ही bad actor है जो screenshot
तो
लेके
ठीक
किसी
है।
और को भेजेगा but फिर भी यार I just like कि यार he's taken the basic precautions.
VCs, multiple VCs.
Yeah,
Companies also
I
double-
love it. I feel privileged that after doing Series C, he's still sending me updates. I'm very happy. Yeah. Though I also get feedback because I still respond and I'm like, यार ये मेरे हिसाब से carefully करना करके I'm like, I've
And
become
most
more.
people don't respond. Like I think पता है कैप टेबल पे आपके 5-10 ऐसे ही लोग होंगे या उससे भी कम जो रिस्पॉन्ड भी करेंगे less than 5-10%
For me,
respond
that was the
करेंगे
biggest signal. When people stopped responding, I'm like, यार तू भेज रहा हूँ.
क्यों भेजो फालतू में दिस थिंग बट जो
Basic
रिस्पॉन्ड
courtesy
करते
है
हैं
यार.
वो हेल्पफुल भी बहुत होते हैं यार रेवंत के साथ आपको हफ्ते की आधे घंटे की कॉल मिल जाए वो 5 लाख के एंजल चेक के बराबर है वीकली
कम बोल रहे हो
Yeah.
हाँ मतलब
ये
रेवंत
podcast सुनने के बाद
यार।
मेरा टीम बोलने वाला है कि आप गलत कैलेंडर भर रखते हो करके हमें पता नहीं अब समझ में आवे आप क्या करते हो कैलेंडर ब्लॉक करके बदनाम मत
Yeah,
करो
but I've also
my
started.
my
Yeah.
investors will say बॉस बंद कर पॉडकास्ट प्लीज फोकस ऑन द बिजनेस क्या कर रहा है सब कुछ ये सब anybody hearing this ये सब गलत है पहले I used to give a lot of time before I can't now because the business
Business
demands
is
a lot more time it demands a lot more time from me
आपने
than before.
पिछले सब यहाँ पे सभी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं आई थिंक इन स्टार्टअप्स थोड़ा बहुत तो सबने एक साल में कितनी अप्रोक्सीमेट हाई लेवल मतलब
एक।
इन्वेस्टमेंट्स एक चिराग
एक साल में 2
एंड शांतनु
यार ज्यादा किए मैंने आई थिंक 12 से 15 के बीच में 1 a month तो होता ही है।
मेरा
हाँ,
एक्चुअली भी
तो-
उल्टा चल रहा है उत्सव आई एम exiting most of my wherever people say exit I'm like ठीक है I'll exit I'm on the reverse
I am also exiting.
not
It's a good
from a
point.
Not I'm asking for it, but wherever people say, so I'm not investing anymore. Wherever people say please exit, I'm like ठीक है, I'll exit. Like there's no, because again मैं time नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ, तो मेरे लिए original thesis वो था कि I will give time, I will learn. Now I'm not able to give time, neither am I able to learn therefore by design. So I'm like यार it's okay then, मतलब जो objective था
पता
वो
है,
meet हो गया.
एंड गुड यू ब्रिंग अप दैट पॉइंट बिकॉज काफी वीसीज ने जो सारे स्टार एंजल्स बन गए थे ना, उनको भी साइड में मना तो करा है इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए. तो आपके पास लिक्विडिटी है तो कंपनी में टाइम डालो और पैसा डालो, राइट?
Correct. No, that's the fear. See, what happens is
It shouldn't become a activity which you're doing very often
correct.
as a founder.
Correct. So I'll
Maybe
tell you,
2-4 चेक आपके नेटवर्क में आप कर सकते हो, but you can't do like these 50
you can't
angel
do
checks.
this as an activity. And I'll tell you the interesting nuance for me, that was the flipping point, right? Ki I have learned enough to now get to PMF. Now, post PMF is the real action, right? If I have to think of a 10-15 year time frame of how to build this venture into a business, and it's different, right? Building a venture is building from
ROI
different
on your
business.
time also, right? I mean, you can give that to an early stage founder or to your own company. That ROI आपकी हैं तो 24 घंटे की आपके पास.
No, I'll tell you the nuance again. Sorry. When I was early stage, I would want all early stage problems to be known so I can learn and get out of कि यार PMF ले आते हैं करके. As soon as I got out of 0 to 1, now me investing in a 0 to 1 company is not going to give me learning for my own business. It's actually a very selfish motive. कि मुझे जब कंपनी स्टार्ट करनी थी तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी चाहिए था टू डू 0 to 1. The moment I finish 0 to 1 and I'm in a 1 to 10 journey where I need time now from people who are in the 1 to 10 journey. So I can't invest in a Series B company. I don't have that cash. No, neither is anybody inviting me. But I now want time from a Series B, Series C, Series D founder. So I don't need the learning of a seed Series A. Yes, maybe once in a year I'll do someone where I really, and it's just for fun and I learn something. But I now need to learn from people who are there. In fact, this was a phase in the last 2 years. I can actually foresee 2026 to 2030, I should start meeting companies that maybe have gone public and ask them कि आप ये कैसे चलाते हो करके. So yesterday I was at a session where there were new age startups who went public. I usually don't do events, but I went because I want to understand कि आपके life में क्या बदला करके. Because that is the learning that is now important for me. So everything is a Guru Dakshina, right? My investments were Guru Dakshina कि यार I should get the 0 to 1 right. Right? And in that process, if someone else gets money, someone else gets time, it's a quid pro quo in that sense, right? They get time, I get ye. Now, if I spend time on helping people get out of 0 to 1, which I still do sometimes on a Saturday or a Sunday, it's on my personal time. I cannot, and I cannot do it like more than 1 or 2 companies at in a month also for that matter, right? So it's disservice to my own business if I am spending time on helping others get out of 0 to 1 because I'm not in 0 to 1 anymore. So I need to now develop my mind more for the later stage, and therefore I seek time with more later stage founders. And there's a different equation there. Like, thankfully, some of my early stage investments, like GoQuick, have become late stage founders or growth stage founders now, right? So that continues. Someone like an Ankush who's running a $200 million revenue business is a great person that I would want to. So that's the interesting other part, right? Sometimes your early investments become large businesses and you can continue to seek time. So out of whatever investments I would have done, maybe 5-7 relationships I still continue to spend time with because I still learn from them. क्योंकि वो भी 1 to 10 पहुंच गया, वो भी 10 to 100 and we keep jamming, right? But अब early stage करके कोई point नहीं है unless it's just to pay it forward कि आप check ले लो, but I can't give time. Time देना बहुत hard हो गया है.
नहीं, मेरे को थोड़ा अलग लगता है. For example, when I invested in Moxie, very early stage, from a stage standpoint, it was, but boss, the kind of brand building, new age stuff that I learned from Nikita and Anmol was crazy, यार. काफी था यार सीखने को वहां पे. तो I think stage level, yeah, sure, you should like. I do think early stage founders who are good will teach you wherever, independent of what stage
100%.
you are at.
But तू जो बोल रहा है ना शांतनु, for me, by the way, potential conflict में ही D2C brands go away. Like Killer, the only one I did was Masala. Masala मैं कभी नहीं करने वाला हूँ, right? Like, परसों आया, there was a ये. One of my investors only sent it to me. I said, it is not a conflict today, but potentially. See, the other thing is,
Yeah.
Shantanu, if we have to go public now, then we have to avoid even like the corporate governance also goes up.
Perception of country. Yeah,
So
I
that's
agree.
the other thing, right, Utsav, that I think later stage में, you also have to give comfort to everybody that you are serious about building this, right? It's not just about your personal money. See, I can keep investing wherever I want. Nobody stops me from doing it. But even a small potential, I still remember when we had asked Sahil to look at GoQuick. And he was like, there is a 5% chance that we may try to build something like this. And there's a very, very mature way of thinking about it, right? Yeah, I want to take the company
Barua.
public. Yeah. So, I mean, personally, he may not have made the 50x, but
Yeah,
he's very clear, yeah, I can't have any potential impropriety thing also. So, people feel pained. Like the biggest deal flow for me, Shantanu, has been consumer brands. I'm like, boss, I can't do consumer brands.
That's actually you're right. It's an
Actually,
unfortunate
because
situation.
I mean, yeah, you've taken. I mean, your companies have absorbed serious amount of investor capital also. तो investor को भी साथ भी क्यों थोड़ा सा भी friction हो, right?
परसेप्शन भी
Yeah.
क्यों दो यार? एक
No.
कुछ और सीख लो ना. Anyway, Shantanu, I really think I agree that we can learn from early stage, but I just think the leverage that we have to now learn of taking a growth stage business to a predictable compounding machine that can last 20 years is far more important maybe at our stage on how to build teams, how to set, like, at least that keeps me occupied a lot more than ki next big idea kya hai करके types.
नहीं, solid point actually. Solid point. And
देखो,
founders, आपको energy चाहिए और learning चाहिए. Most of the founders are very happy to spend a few hours with you every month or
yeah.
so also. ऐसा तो अब इतना street cred भी है कि more than the money, I think they'll come and come spend time with you for
Shantanu
the
को
operator.
LinkedIn post है. One LinkedIn post, 1 day sales.
and I think Utsav, it depends on the nature of the business also. I think these both have reached a stage where it's at least itna moats ka tension nahi hai. Whereas let's say if you take any tech business, then probably with that lens अगर मैं देखूँ तो early stage करना चाहिए क्योंकि you get to see those early trends where you can be disrupted.
आप ये देखो,
especially in winner take all markets.
आप वो
That's a
देखो
good
कि
point.
Razorpay वाला Razorpay founders have started Mars Short Ventures. यार Razorpay के तो हर बंदा ही customer हो सकता है, but वो तो खुद directly जा रहे हैं captive. But do you think that's right or wrong?
I think, yeah, platforms में अलग है उत्सव. I agree with Chirag on this. Yeah, platforms जो ना सब लोग सब कुछ करते हैं यार. Like,
So you mean to say they have access to some proprietary information?
नहीं, that any company that they invest in, even pre-launch, whatever stage, will be a potential customer, and people might think that
Yeah.
they're getting a better deal on some MDR rates or something.
That's a very good point actually.
no, sorry, I have a differing view. Large platforms by design. If you go back to what happened in China, the Alibaba and Tencents became the venture dollars for every startup and said eventually either we'll buy you or you build on your own, right? I just think that going back here, domestic capital चाहिए ना, तो we need these large tech companies के early employees, people who make 100 crore plus and founders, they'll have to keep taking bets यार. ठीक है, अब conflict है तो है, but मतलब वो नहीं सोच सकते इतना.
नहीं तो
मुझे
वापस
लगता
आ
है
रहा है
जो
ना पैसा.
Contradict खुद ही कर रहे हो आप अपने point को early वाले.
No. I'll tell you, my point is different because we are not a platform business. See, there's a difference between a platform saying platforms can do everything. Tomorrow Razorpay will say, I will start a food delivery business because I have so much data. And like, look at Rapido, right? So I think by design tech platforms, they can do anything. ये हमेशा conflict होगा उनके साथ. Whereas consumer businesses, right? अगर let's say live space furniture बेच रहा है, right? मैं supplement बेच रहा हूँ, शांतनु razor बेच रहा है. We have to focus and go deep on doing that one thing well. Everything else is a distraction. Whereas tech businesses, once you build a platform, everything is an opportunity. So I would actually say that a tech platform, I would actually encourage that यार A paid forward और अगर दिख रहा है कि ये बहुत बढ़िया बिजनेस बन सकता है और मुझे खुद करना है ना, सी फाउंडर की फितरत है. If the founder says नहीं यार आप मेरे लिए पोटेंशियल कंपटीशन आपसे नहीं लूंगा, मत ले. बट फिर तो कैपिटल बचेगा ही नहीं यार, क्योंकि इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल फैमिलीज तो पैसा नहीं दे रहे दोस्त. दे आर नॉट गिविंग मनी फॉर न्यू एज वेंचर. समबडी हैज टू गिव, नो? नहीं क्या?
हाँ, मतलब both flip sides, and then when it becomes like a platform play, then why not do it from the balance sheet investing? वो
Which
भी
is
आ
a
सकता
fair
है.
point. So Sanjeev
No,
Bichchandari's point कि मैं बैलेंस शीट से करूंगा is actually that's a very fair point. कि यार instead of personally do it from the company balance sheet, but इसमें भी यार I think it's very hard to
Isn't
take.
Mars Capital company balance sheet?
No,
It's fully founder money. Founder and
individual.
early employees.
Fully.
Is it?
यार बैलेंस शीट में ना एक हार्ड होता है उत्सव. लाइक इफ आई गो टू माय शेयर होल्डर्स एंड से दैट while running a business I will also run a VC arm, they'll be like कि भाई मतलब ठंडक फोकस करके. So I think we are maybe a little maybe Dipinder can do it. I don't see anybody else saying that मैं VC arm खोलूंगा in the core
अब वो
business.
सोचो ना, दीपिंदर ने खुद शार्क टैंक पे मना कर दिया था कि any brand that has a potential of listing on Blinkit or Zomato, I will not invest.
Yeah. Every brand goes to the Blinkit team and says यार आप पैसा डाल दो करके, वो मना कर देते हैं वो. Because यार conflict of interest है. बराबर है यार, नहीं होना चाहिए. ये हार्ड है, एक प्रॉब्लम है ये. थोड़ा सा लो ट्रस्ट सोसाइटी का ये एक इशू है. यूएस में नहीं होता है. यूएस में सब खिचड़ी है. गोइंग बैक टू योर सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी पॉइंट, यू आर राइट. यूएस में एवरीबडी इज लाइक हाँ यार, वी विल इंक्रीज द साइज ऑफ द पाई. आई डोंट थिंक दे वरी अबाउट कॉम्पिटिशन और तू मेरा पाई ले लेगा, मैं तेरा पाई ले लूंगा. ये नहीं होता एक्चुअली. टू योर पॉइंट, इट्स अ मच मोर ओपन इकोसिस्टम इन दैट सेंस.
मच मोर ओपन इकोसिस्टम. थोड़े बहुत किंग मेकर्स हैं, थोड़े बहुत किंग मेकर्स बन जाते हैं. आई मीन डुओपली में ही हो जाती है. बड़े बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म्स से एंड उसमें सब दोनों कैंप्स में अलाइन हो जाते हैं इधर उधर. सारों को ही वो कर देते हैं.
ये अच्छा डिबेट है यार ये. I know where the shareholders will side. जिसको अभी तक 50x मिला नहीं है, on paper 20x से, but उसको 50x liquid चाहिए, they will say भाई focus करो करके. But the next person who comes in will also say that.
इंडियन एसएचएस में आने लग गया है ये. फाउंडर
Yeah.
कैन नॉट एंजल इन्वेस्ट वगैरह. आई नो, आई सॉ इट इन
Wow.
वन सीरीज बी, अ प्रोमिनेंट कंपनी.
Wow.
Any series,
Can't do it.
मतलब any angel investment.
Or
can't do
take
any
approval basically, if you are going to do it.
can't
Some
do
percentage thresholds I remember, but any is like
He's saying
strange.
blanket.
बंद करना है. Yesterday I saw a CIO of a mutual fund saying public companies should be like this, etc., right? And all of it was, you need a story, you need 10-year vision, you need high quality management, you need low attrition, you need 30-40% growth, you need 30-40% profit growth, moats, this, that, everything. And you should not dilute on ESOP. You should not give this ESOP at 1 rupee and stuff. मैंने बोला यार ये कैसे होगा दोनों. मतलब तुम्हें चाहिए कि तुम 10% इंडस्ट्री है, तुम्हें सब कुछ दुनिया चाहिए, बट यू डोंट वांट टू इंसेंटिवाइज द पीपल हु विल बिल्ड दिस आउट. I still think we are at that juncture where everybody wants the world, but nobody wants to share. And I think that somewhere has to, mindset has to change. मतलब
zero sum versus positive sum. हाँ.
positive sum games का थोड़ा सा अभी भी I don't see that much.
US में अभी जो मेटा ने हायरिंग करी है, मतलब जो एआई के लिए,
क्रेजी है वो यार.
क्रेजी बॉस. तो वो रॉक स्टार्स की तरह ट्रीट करते हैं टैलेंट को वहां पे.
Yeah. And it's interesting, right? If you go to the, like, 2024, when Eternal expanded the ESOP pool by 2%, by that time they're already delivered. They had turned around Blinkit, and it was very clear that this is going to be a very valuable company. In spite of that, 35% of the institutional shareholders voted against the ESOP expansion. Right? And there's a very interesting thing, a very prominent founder told me, ऐसे कि क्यों होता है करके. उसने बोला, go to the CIOs of these mutual funds and look at their liquid net worth. They're like, if I don't make money as an employee while managing $50-100 billion, तुम ऐसा क्या काम कर रहे हो कि तुम अगर 10 बिलियन की कंपनी चला रहे हो, तुम्हारे एम्प्लॉइज बहुत कुछ तोड़ कर रहे हैं. लाइक क्या हुआ है ना, ट्रेडिशनल कैपिटल इन दिस कंट्री हैज लार्जली बीन ड्रिवन एंड promoters have held a lot of that upside with them. Like ये overall एक I like what you summarize, right? वो zero sum versus positive sum में I see this tension happening in the new age companies and the traditional pools of capital on how they created wealth. So वो एक थोड़ा transitionary time लगेगा.
I actually like this point. Utsav, what do you think is the right amount of ESOP pool pre-funding? Like if it's a founder,
यार 10 to 15% तो एटलीस्ट होना चाहिए.
मेरे को तो लगता है कि I think just given the way dilution happens, frankly, हाँ,
आप 20-25 वाले कैंप में हो.
मैं थोड़ा 35% वाले कैंप में हूँ. Because it is so hard to get this back, ना.
हाँ. Yeah.
And it has, at least I can tell you my experience, we started with 25. It has served us well.
लेकिन मैं कंजर्वेटिव बोल रहा हूँ अक्रॉस दिस थिंग, बिकॉज वो बाद में रिकैप वगैरह करोगे वो सब. 20 तक तो इज अ वेरी गुड नंबर टू हैव.
Now, Chirag, 25% is, I think, very on the other side. Like it's one of the highest, probably the highest I know of.
Shantanu, I think my thought came from कि यार मुझे पता था कि one after having the first startup experience कि यार छोटी कंपनी नहीं बनानी है, बड़ी कंपनी बनानी है, तो लोग लगेंगे. I can't build this on my own alone. So better be generous. वो वाला वो जो इक्वेशन बोला करते थे, उत्सव ने आई थिंक बोला था कि यार बड़ी पाई में 2% ओन कर ले rather than 50% of a smaller pie. क्योंकि ये गेम ही वही है, गेम अपसाइड का है. If you are not aiming for like bigness, largeness, तो नहीं चलेगा. तो उसके लिए आप स्पेशली टेक कंपनी बना रहे हो, अच्छे लोग नहीं ला रहे हो, फिर कैसे चलेगा?
मैं तुम मतलब you should allocate invest
I think
जैसे
20-25 तो I think is good, very good अगर इतना पूल है तो. देखो कि वो इलॉन मस्क का बहुत $1 ट्रिलियन पैकेज अप्रूव करा है बोर्ड ने
या
वहां पे,
वो तो अलग ही है.
मतलब कि ट्रांजैक्शन वो मतलब आई मीन बेस्ड ऑन सर्टेन मेट्रिक्स वगैरह, सो
But
दे
the
आर अलाइनिंग
market cap needs to get to 10 trillion for that. ऐसा कुछ है.
8 ट्रिलियन, आई थिंक
हाँ
8 या
8
9
ट्रिलियन.
ट्रिलियन
ठीक
बट
है यार, अगर 8 ट्रिलियन
इंसेंटिव
होगी
तो चाहिए
कंपनी
ना,
तो.
अगर आप इतना बना रहे हो तो फिर तो दिस थिंग तो इंसेंटिव उसका पहले भी बहुत क्रेजी था.
या नो आई वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना यार, पॉजिटिव सम गेम्स बाय डिजाइन. आई थिंक यूएस इज मे बी an absolutely extreme example of this. I'm not saying we should try and emulate everything, but I think it's going to take some time. And at least the conclusion we had yesterday was the more new age startups that go public, that continue to give ESOPs at ₹1 strike price, which is very dilutive to shareholders, but very well incentivized for employees, it will become the norm over time. Because अब निफ्टी में आ गया है इटर्नल. अब 2-4 और कंपनी अगर 10 बिलियन प्लस हो जाएगी और यही करते रहेगी, देन धीरे-धीरे मार्केट विल अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस इज द रियलिटी. अगर इफ दीज आर द हाई ग्रोथ कंपनीज, द रीजन दे आर हाई ग्रोथ इज बिकॉज द एम्प्लॉइज आर वर्किंग हार्ड, बिकॉज दे आर इंसेंटिवाइज्ड फॉर इट. यार you can't do this kind of growth otherwise. ठीक है
Perfect.
आशीष?
Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Utsav,
Same
so
to you.
nice to connect, dude. Lovely
Yeah,
to
man.
connect.